somebody is like, if you speak about it, we are going to rape you.
जानी सुनी से जिनसे भीतर पछिबे देखि आपन को बैड कमेंट करिवे
उधर नेटवर्क है, सब है, दे आर अनएजुकेटेड।
इतने कष्ट कर रिकॉर्ड है ये तो नाची की मिलियन व्यूज आने दीजिए।
Let's ban Instagram in India.
In this era, it's very important to address what content you consume, it's right or it's wrong.
40% लोक अछंती मोबाइल ले आपन जीमेल आईडी कोन अछि जानना
So these reels, shorts come, the attention span of the human
Yes.
being has reduced.
As a creators, everyone should make their audience make aware.
You need to understand the psychology of a human being whom you're interviewing.
As a journalist, y'all are going to tell the truth.
गवर्नमेंट प्रॉमिस देम कि हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे, वी वुड हेल्प यू। उनके पास ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अभी तक पहुंच पाया है, खाली फूडिंग में उनको बस राइस दिया जा रहा है।
People also hire agencies and all to make content viral.
Oh my god, 1 million views.
Yeah.
And then
ChatGPT like a machine, right?
ह्यूमन मपसला माने गोटे मशीन सब किछ करि परियो
पर माने मु एक्सप्लोर
Yeah,
हेछि भाई।
For me, it is the best way to show.
बेले बेले दुख भी लागे मोर व्यूअर्स होजन बहुत कम आ डार को भाबलर पड़ले त अपन जानथिबे कोन हम
गोटे ओडिया ढगाने मजा मजा रे खजा बाहर छु।
good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Suit yourselves as per your convenient time zones and welcome to OTV Insight. Today with us, we've got some amazing humans who are excellent in digital journalism. And yes, what's up, Dipti? You're happy here? How are you?
This is my domain.
Huh.
I'm a journalist for like 8 years in this industry. I feel mu what a comfort zone अछि। I'm between the people of
I am the odd one out this time. मुट्ठी के बाहर पे लाई गली ये थर
हाँ बाल पे लगेगा आपके लिए सीखने का अपॉर्चुनिटी अबाउट आवर इंडस्ट्री आवर डोमेन
दरकार information is key. But yes, before we continue, since we have journalists with us, we would like them to introduce themselves in their own style. Can we start with you, madam, please?
Right, Jai Jagannath, and all of you know me as Prom. I'm your own sports anchor, and you've seen me on the field, but this looks like a little tough wicket to me today.
How is that? Madam.
So, my style is very simple. So, hello, I am Rituparna.
दैट्स इट
Come on, you have so many cool lines. We've actually stalked you and we've seen your content. So, Rituparna. And you've done an internship here earlier as well.
Yeah.
You would go on field and do all the magic.
Yeah.
So this intro we are not accepting. We need something more spicier, saucier, and with more Rituparna-ness in it.
So,
Ta-da!
we'll keep that for later. Moving on.
नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु एबे अछि ओटीवी इनसाइट रो राउंड टेबल सीजन 4 रे एवं आपण मते देखुछन मो सहित अनेक को फॉलोअर्स भी अछंती से माने मु तांको इंट्रो जानि नै भलो भाबरे सो से माने भी अछन मो सहित सो आज देखिबा कोन होची एक्चुअली मु गोटे माने गांव रु अछि निपट मफसल रु अछि एवं ओटीवी मो माने टैलेंट को जानिला आ मते अवार्ड करथिला इनसाइट रे सेति पे मु निश्चित धन्यवाद देबी ओटीवी एवं टोटल इनसाइट रो टीम मानकु सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट
Sir, why do you hope for the best? You will do the best. You've already won it once. We have so much more to do, sir. No tension. But yes, now that we're starting with journalism and everything, let's start from the very basics. Now, since you are also a genius in this field, I have a question. What is the difference because journalism और digital journalism रे कौन तफात अछि?
जर्नलिज्म जनरल जर्नलिज्म माने आमे डायरेक्ट ह्यूमन इंटरेक्ट रे आछुंती लोक मानक देखुचंती से मानकर माने से माने कोन कहउछन आमे तो कैमरा रे कैप्चर करी देखुचंती डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म टिके डिफरेंट आमे इंटरनेट रो बहुत गुडा वेबसाइट न्यूज चैनल एमि सब गुडा को एनालिसिस करी ता देरु माने सठिक तथ्य एवं जोटा जेन्युइन तथ्य ताकू आमे निजे ग्रहण करू एवं ता विषय एनालिसिस करी एक्स्ट्रा किछि लेखा हुए लेखि साइला परे तापर ताकू आमे रिव्यू करू जे जिंसरा ठीक अछि कि नै ठीक हैला परे तापर ताकू शूट करा जाय तापर पोस्ट करा जाय सेटा होची मु भाबुची सेटा होची डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म
Sir, that is how you are approaching it.
And journalism has always been through a paradigm shift. Like radio ru nahi ki, newspaper ru nahi ki, television ru nahi ki, and now things have come to digital and things are moving forward to AI. So digital journalism is the journalism of this era. Is fast-paced journalism that
Actually, you all can find news and publish it like camera on, record, done, fact
Yeah.
check, published.
Citizen journalism, they call it. Citizen journalism. Every individual is empowered. Citizen journalism is digital journalism. Pram, what do you have to say about it?
So, see, like he correctly explained, like we live in a digital era. So, when you used to see like some 20, 30 years back, a lot of information you used to get on television. But right now also you see every person is a creator in some sort of way. They have their opinion. Sometimes it gets a little difficult to, differentiate between that authentic news and some opinionated news. So, in this era, it's very important to address what content you consume, it's right or it's wrong. There's
true, very
one of the
true.
most important things, because you're seeing so many news articles, like supposedly when you had the plane crash, right? There were so many angles, and the angles bifurcated to so many that people are starting to talk about past lives, astrology. I mean, you're not getting into the main crux, what has happened. That is what is happening.
Seat number 11A.
Yeah.
Plain facts are no more facts.
It's a lot of content, you see. It's a lot of content. So it's important to understand where is authenticity and where there's just spice.
Oh, wait,
out there.
I have a question for you as we'll go along. But Rituparna, you tell me.
For me, it's like in digital journalism में हम लोग कैसे एक story telling के form में हम लोग जैसे show करते हैं. For me, it is the best way to show.
Okay. So you take a storytelling angle to
Yeah.
your journalism as well.
Yeah.
So अबिका कौन हबो कि को platform रे like which platform is your platform of choice when you all go for your digital journalism?
Instagram for sure.
Instagram.
ମୋର YouTube.
YouTube. अबिका केमती कहबी give me a second to actually formulate it. दी अलगा platform अछि. दी अलगा platform रे अलगा type of audience. Clickbaits भी exist करे.
Yeah.
Brain rot content. And how do you challenge it? How do you break the barrier ki okay, there is this, there is somebody singing, somebody rapping, somebody doing some stupid thing, and then you all come with your facts, figures and information, and you'll see someone who's just like recreating some TikTok or something gets oh my god 1 million views,
1 million.
Yeah.
and then you all have put in the efforts, find out authentic content so that you all don't have a prejudice.
Yes.
दिमाग कैसे चलता है केमती लागे निजकू कि एते कष्ट करी कोन हला ये तो नाची के मिलियन व्यूज आनी दिछि
ना निश्चित तो फील हुए से टाइम रे
हाँ।
हमर रिसर्च ता बहुत किंतु हमर व्यूअर्स होचन बहुत कम किंतु जेति की व्यूअर्स अछन हमर सब होचन जेन्युइन व्यूअर्स सेति पे हमको भल लागे आउ बेले बेले दुख भी लागे जे हमठू अनटैलेंटेड पर्सन माने एमिति सेमिति कर दई गोटे कोन पोस्ट कर देले गोटे लिप सिंक कर देले
Correct.
ताकर पूरा हाई व्यूज हे गेला এবং चैनल मोनेटाइज पैसा रोजगार अधिका बहुत किछ किंतु हमर होच गोटे स्ट्रगलिंग लाइफ एक्चुअली
निश्चय एटा गोटे प्रॉब्लम हबो व्यूअरशिप चेंज होछि
आजिकल दुनिया रे एक्चुअली पाठटा होच सबडल कष्ट लोक पाठ को के पसंद करना आपण कहबे नाच कि हबो कि गीत गाइबो माने पाठ को छाडी के आउ जा कहबे मो पुओ कथा मु कहबी से 4th क्लास रे पढुची
हां
से मु ताको देई नै पर्यंत घरे मोर बेसिक फोन वर्ड देछि काइना से असुविधा हबो तो मु जते बेले जीवे संग संग से हॉटस्पॉट ऑन हो सेटा रिचार्ज मु करे नै केवल आउटगोइंग रिचार्ज थाए नेट न थाए संग संग केवल होची शॉर्ट वीडियो देन आप जो एटा कोन गेले इंस्टाग्राम तो मु नाही से इंस्टाग्राम से भी इंस्टाग्राम देखे
हां
तो मु केते बेले देखिने से मो वीडियोटा देखिबार माने मु जो जिंसटा करूची लोक बुझौची जे एई वे रे एई वेबसाइटटा एमडी यूज करि हबो एई जिंस नुवा स्कीम आसु सरकार तरफरु चासी भाई मानक पई भी करे नॉर्मल चाहे भी मो नजर को आसे जते बेले मु फर्स्ट स्क्रीन खोली दे यूट्यूब रो जति की फीड्स रे जहा भी आसे एवं न्यूज चैनल जो दिचाटा मु फॉलो करे माने इंक्लूडिंग ओटीवी जहा भी मो नजर को आसे ता भितर मु किछि आजि करि बोली निजे प्लानिंग करे निजे लेखे राति 3 लो उठे उठी लेखे निजे शूटिंग करिबे निजे एडिटिंग करिबे देन पब्लिश हबो
सो क्लासिक केस ऑफ घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर
किंतु
अलगा लोगों को वीडियो देखाबो किंतु घरे जो वीडियो होची अनफॉर्चूनेटली
एक्चुअली को होची माने मु ओटीवी पर्यंत आसी पहुंचलेनी इनसाइड रो मते अवार्ड मिललानी किंतु हम गार मन लोक चिन्ह
Now, correct.
चिन्ह दिए
सेटा होची प्रॉब्लम माने जे
State level establishments
वीडियो
सब
करे ये करे किंतु लोक जानि ना जे मु एमिति केवल सुभद्रा टाइम रे मते गां लोक कि चिन्हले सुभद्रा फॉर्म केमिति फिल अप हबो कोउठी आवेदन करिवे केउ माने कोउ स्टेप रे जो ऑनलाइन भाई माने मोर करथले समस्ते भी मो सहित जोड़ी हेले जे सब गोटे गोटे स्टेप रे समान भूल करते जानि परिबे माने सब जिंस गुडा समस्ते तो जानि नथान तो सेही टाइम रे मते किसी लोक माने रिकॉग्नाइज कले जे मोडे माने YouTube चैनल करिछि आ लेडीज भी बहुत मोर फॉलो सेही टाइम रे फॉलोअर्स ले माने विवाहित लेडीज हो तो अविवाहित हो तो तापरे माने सुभद्रा सरिला परे एबे वर्तमान मोर व्यूज ड्रॉप सब ड्रॉप तथापि हमर मोर
पर
स्ट्रगल
भी आपण स्कीम्स और सब ऊपर विषय स्कीम्स विषय आपण कन्वर्सेशन
जहाँ भी जिनिस मो नजर को आसे जे एटा लोक जानिबा निहित दरकार ताकू मैं एनालिसिस करे देन चैट जीपीटी इज देयर अपन जानते चैट जीपीटी अछि मो गोटे न्यूज रो हेडलाइन दे देबी से किछि इम्प्रोवाइज करी ताकू लिखि दो
इनफैक्ट
तापर
दैट
हमें ताकू आउट के इम्प्रोवाइज करू निजे ह्यूमन मपसला माने गोटे मशीन सब किछि करि परियो
नेचुरल एलिमेंट दरकार
से
और चैट जीपीटी को भी सब
तापर
जिंस तो जाना
जीपीटी
नहीं
एक्चुअली ओडिया सिखि नै पर्यंत ओडिया बहुत खंडिया ओडिया लिखे छी जोडा लगे भारी खराब लगे बेले बेले ओडिया उडा ताकू हमें पुणी एडिट करके पुणी निज स्क्रिप्ट किछि सेट लगेया पय पड़े तापर पब्लिश हो बहुत काम एक्चुअली थाए गोटे निजे जे सेल्फ प्रोडक्शन करूची गोटे प्रोडक्शन हाउस माने निजे मु होची निजे गोटे प्रोडक्शन हाउस
वन मैन आर्मी
वन मैन आर्मी
No, also, like, I'll cut about this. Ki also, you see, after these reels, shorts come, the attention span of the human
Yes.
being has reduced.
Yeah.
Like, first 15, 20 seconds, if you capture the audience, he's bound
they say
to watch.
first 5 seconds.
Yeah, that was the, if you're capturing then and there, no, why are these like lip syncs and all of them, they get
Exactly.
viral? They are capturing 5 seconds, and we people like Jimti Sir Koile, whole day it takes because. Even when I'm talking about a sports content over there, I need to know the history, geography, everything, the pitch condition, what is he going through. But then, yet again, somebody just told me, like, Prom, I think you should need to look a little more glam. I think you're very comfy. Just look a little bit glam. Like, wear this sort of, and like, I was like, I'm not an actress, dude.
journalism
Yeah, dude, you need to
depends on
understand.
glamour also.
Yeah, but that has become like that, It has become like a face-centric thingy. What you're wearing, how you're dressing up, it's one of the factors. See, like all of us are dressed up in a certain code. But the audience and the creative mentality has become like this. Now we want to make whatever looks like shiny out the outside. We don't want to listen content. Like Sir said, ki tankara kichida genuine followers achandi who are like the intellectual based audience. Like I want to open and see what this person. Otherwise, everyone is like more tired. Actually, like I'm at like lunch, I just scroll. अरे क्या हुआ?
Mane,
अरे ये
it
सुंदर
should,
सी लड़की आ
unfortunately,
गई.
it both eye pleasing he jai
Yes.
rather than pleasing the brain.
Brain, correct.
See, digital journalism started with. I'm not in this field. I'm sorry. वो टिके खाली भाभी कहूची. The ease of access of publication.
Yeah.
Digital journalism, you can use photos. It doesn't restrict you in just one field. किछि बाहरला Google अच्छी, AI भी अच्छी. हाँ, AI विषय कथा करिबा अछि कि AI,
Yeah.
WhatsApp कि आपण जे भी अबका चैट जीपीटी
ChatGPT mention
करे
कले.
चैट जीपीटी पाखरे सबु इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्यूरेट नाही तापर गूगल परप्लेक्सिटी अछि कोन सबु अछि तो हाउ डू यू ऑल फाइंड डू यू ऑल यूज एआई
Yeah.
इन
Do you
जर्नलिज्म
guys
Yeah.
use ChatGPT to generate script? I mean, to get an idea.
Yeah,
To
of
get
course.
history for sure.
Okay.
But do you know that ChatGPT, like as Sir mentioned, it's like a machine, right? You can never give that human feel to it.
Yes.
Like if I have
स्पेशली
to.
ओडिया
Yeah, if
हिंदी
I.
इंग्लिश
लोकल लैंग्वेजेस तो ए पर्यंत
Yeah.
से मॉडल रिपोजिटरी
तथापि मु कहबी गोटे भल जिनिस चैट जीपीटी जे ओडिया बुझी पाउछ ए पर्यंत गूगल भी बुझी पारु नै
ChatGPT
गूगल जो
बुझी
अछि
पारुଛି।
जेमिनाई भी बुझी पाउनु से को आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड ओडिया आपण इंग्लिश रो पचरंतु ओडिया रो पचरंतु
हाँ।
किंतु ये लेखुछ जहा भी लेखु किछि ओडे लेखि दबो
Yeah.
से तो जहा लेखा मशीन तो लेखिबो आपण जानि छथि सब किछि ठीक नुहे किंतु आमे तको एनालिसिस करू तादुर काटि के एडिट करा हुए तापर देन फाइनल प्रोडक्ट तो निश्चित भारिबो किछि बेसिक आइडिया निश्चित मिल जिवो काहे आपण देखन जदि गूगल ले आपण सर्च करिवे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ वेबसाइट आसीबो ता भितरु मैक्सिमम नॉर्मल लोक अछंती जानि नाहंती अनेक जगह जाई कि पेमेंट कर दउ से विषय में वीडियो करछि जे आपण इलीगल वेबसाइट में जानते सरकारी वेबसाइट भी जानि नाहंती लोक सरकारी वेबसाइट रे एक्सटेंशन अछि .gov.in से कथा भी बुझी किंतु लिखि देबे जदि indiagovernment.com जदि जण लिखि गोटे वेबसाइट कर देला किछि लोक अछि किछि लोक ने 80% पीपल
माने जीव
सेटा कहबेटा होछि माने माने भारत सरकार कर वेबसाइट किंतु सेटा नहे मु दुईटा तीनटा वेबसाइट तम कहली एक्सटेंशन अछि जोटा .gov.in सेटा देखिए गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट सेठी आपण निर्द्वंद्व विजिट करि परिबे देन .nic.in अछि .ac.in अछि एबेला किछि डोमेन अछि जोटा कि होछि केवल सरकार ता पाकर रखिछि रिजर्व
.com नाही।
ना गोटे माने साधारण पीपल से दबने दो किनिया तो सेही विषय में वीडियो करछि से वीडियो रो व्यू जीवो 100 to 100 बस माने जिनिसटा माने मते बेले बेले दुख लागे जे आमे एते एनालिसिस करू बहुत लोक जानि नाहते से डीपली ता विषय जे वेबसाइट कोन लोक गोटे साधारण लोक अपन पचारिबे जे जने काम करथुबो कि जने चाकरी करथिबो अरे जिंस मिलु नै तो नेट सर्च कर दे ना संग से मिलियो अरे MP3 टा मिलुने डाउनलोड कर दो ना तो गूगल खोलिबु डाउनलोड करिबु
Google रो
अरे
first answer
गूगल
ହେଇଗଲା।
खोली की जो डाउनलोड करिवार प्रोसेस टा सेटा गोटे हाफ एन आवर प्रोसेस लागे सी भाबंती गूगल सर्च इंजिन ले जो जिनस गुड़ा आसे सेटा सब जेन्युइन आ सब वेबसाइट आपण डाउनलोड कर परिबे आपण गोटे MP3 सर्च कर दियंतु खोल देबे डाउनलोड कर दे केस समय लागियो सर 2-3 मिनिट रा काम
See, that's what we recognized at OTV Insight 2025. Ki we don't want to award someone who has a lot of views, but we want the right people to be in the category. And irrespective of views, he was
Quality
awarded
over-
because we saw his content, the research that he does, audience that he targets, the rural audience jo janku apan target korchanti. And yeah,
सेमानु बुझिया पय मु चेष्टा करथि तापरे मु एमिति दिने स्क्रॉल को मु टीवी रे एक्चुअली देखिली इनसाइड रो एड गोटा आसिला परे मु टीवी रे देखिली मु देखिया गोटा नॉमिनेशन कर देथिवा जा हबो हबो मु भी आशा करनथली मु कहले मोर जो फॉलोअर अछंती गां रे सी जानि ना इनसाइड माने ओटीवी रो इनसाइड गोट प्रोग्राम हबो सेठी गोटे वोटिंग करिया पे पड़ियो एक्चुअली ओटीवी रो गोटे वोटिंग प्रोसेस टा टिके डिफिकल्ट थिला लोक बुझी पानथले
No.
सेटा भी मु अनेक लोक को बुझेइली
We'll fix that next year.
वोटिंग केमिति करिवि ना एठी लॉगिन करिवे एमि सर्च करिवे हम के कैटेगरी रो मु अछि से कैटेगरी जाई कि कर बस एटा तो बहुत लॉन्ग प्रोसेस हे होछि
କରିବିନି
जानि पारु ना एक्चुअली लोक इवन एबे मु कहबी 40% लोक अछंती ए मोबाइल ले आपन जीमेल आईडी कोन अछि जानना छै
करेक्ट
तो आपण आउ गोटे वीडियो बनैलेनी OTV Insight रे केमती वोट करंती
ना मु सेटा एक्चुअली मो पर टाइम कम थिला
हां
माने 5-6 डेज कि 7 डेज पूर्व मु जानिले जे या होछि बोले गोटे माने नॉमिनेशन चलछि सेति के विषय मु जति कि फिजिकली लोक बुझे पाइली मो जनसेवा केंद्र थ्रू रे सेति के लोक बुझिले आ वीडियो करिया पे टाइम हला ने टिके व्यस्त आमे रहू जनसेवा केंद्र
सी गोटे रेजिस्टेंस भी थाई टेक्नोलॉजी और ह्यूमंस रे
ह्यूमंस रे
तो how do you all challenge this, like not challenge this, how do you all take care of this challenge?
The AI thing?
Not just like we have AI,
Yeah.
then at the same time there is a resistance which people have towards finding out authentic information. You might have to read a couple of pages, but we are used to doom scroll. Tap Instagram में आ गया, this happened, AI generated image, that's news. So
इसी के लिए तो हमारा फेक न्यूज़ ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है
yellow journalism.
Yeah.
या
And what are your views about yellow journalism and how all of this is affecting and corrupting information?
लोगों को अवेयर होना चाहिए
जी।
हमको लाइक हम एज अ क्रिएटर्स एवरीवन शुड मेक देयर ऑडियंस मेक अवेयर दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग
And how will the audience know कि this creator is the creator? Because there are a lot of creators. अभी now y'all are
Fake
big on this.
followers.
Yeah.
Fake followers ले आए. Sir is very honest
We can
enough कि
just
हाँ
check
200
out-
views हुए.
वी कैन जस्ट चेक आउट देयर व्यूज
and audience एबे आज का डेट smart enough to
Yeah,
understand.
because I'll tell you this thing. Why, when everyone was, covering a particular news, they'll go to Fair first and, check like if she's spoken something like Fair D'Souza, I think,
Fair.
because she's very authentic with her, matlab, like timing and everything. People will still go to her and check rather than going to any journalist. So, audience is smart, but, but this content and everything is tricking their brain.
Yes.
It's like manipulating
That is the
them.
resistance.
That is the manipulating. Yeah.
यूट्यूब रो थंबनेल
Yes.
यूट्यूब रो
Important.
थंबनेल ता होची गोटे एमितिया
Very
जिनिस
important.
माने सब लोक तो जानि ना त माने एठी जे देखे देला मु गोटे एग्जांपल देबी वर्तमान आपनकर पीएम किसान 2000 टंका मिलिवा कथा आपनकर जून मास रे जून 20th पूर्व प्रत्येक वर्ष क्रेडिट हे जाय लोकन पाखरे जते बेले क्रेडिट न हला 20th पूर्व सेटू माने आम भळ क्रिएटर जो माने अछन ताको मिली गला खुराक जे डेली मु देखली आज आसुची पीएम किसान 2000 टका क्रेडिट हेई गलानी आपण जल्दी देखो ए बेला गोटे थंबनेल जे थिबो निश्चित तो क्लिकबेट से पाइबो क्लिक करके देखिबो 3 मिनिट 4 मिनिट पर्यंत याडू साडू गपिबे से कोन हेछि पीएम
Do like, subscribe, follow our page, comment.
लास्ट को देबे सोशल मीडिया रे आलोचना होतला जे 20 तारिख 21 तारिख आज मिलिवा कथा जदि न मिले पुणी नेक्स्ट वीक रे मिलिबो समाता जस्टिफाई करिवे YouTube कहूची जे आपण थंबनेल जा दोचन ताको जस्टिफाई करंतो क्रिएटर माने होचन आउरी चालाकी क्रिएटर माने ताको जस्टिफाई करियो केमते लोकन ऊपर पके देला जे सोशल मीडिया रे देखिली मु फेसबुक रे देखिली कि भाजोर भाइराल होची 7 तारिख मिलिबो जदि 7 तारिख न मिले तल 10 तारिख मिलिबो सॉल्यूशन मिल गला
Content body थी
YouTube भी आउ ताको किछि करि परिबने जे तुमे काहे कि थंबनेल अलगा देकी टॉपिक अलगा कला से भी ताको जस्टिफाई कर देबे जे हमें सर लास्ट को मेंशन कर दिछु जे या हेछि एठी असुविधा होछि आ जब मु से रिलेटेड वीडियो करे किंतु कंपेयरिंगली मोर व्यूज कम आसे किंतु मु करे କାରଣ ମତେ ସେଟା ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇ ଲାଗେ
ମାନେ thumbnail sensationalize ରଖନ୍ତୁ but ଗୋଟେ ethics ଗୋଟେ integrity ବି maintain କରନ୍ତୁ. I'll give you an interesting example याती. ଏବେ recently war time रे one of our competitor news channel and it's a big news channel, big media house. ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର YouTube live ରେ thumbnail ଦେଲେ ओडिसा रे पड़ी गला बम. But however side रे ଗୋଟେ छोटिया question mark ଟେ ଥିଲା एडी पड़ी गला बम is this big.
Yeah.
Question mark is this
small. Yeah.
and that video was working.
Yeah.
That live stream was working.
There's a sense of confusion.
Correct. They are
Curiosity.
That's what I told you. They are tricking the mind. They are manipulating the
Viewership.
mind.
Exactly.
Yes. Because that's what happens. Like supposing Operation Sindoor time re, there was like so much of information ete chaltila. तो समझ के लिए जाना पड़ेगा कि like this person like I am like मुझे कुछ देखे भी नहीं. If I want like someone has found something and my curiosity level goes कि like I need to open this video and there's nothing in that video. I just wasted my 10 minutes.
सेम जिंस 3 दिन तळर न्यूज़ चलथिबो से
हाँ.
3 दिन तळर चलथिबो लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग ठीक कहले.
जहा थिबो सेम जिंस आपन को देखेबे किंतु थंबनेल थिबो जे आजि किछ नुवा जिंस पुलिस जाइतला कि पूरा स्पॉट ऊपर किछ गोटे नुवा जिंस फाइंड करछो सेटा क्वेश्चन मार्क हे
Yeah.
आपण तो देखिबे आ न देखिए बाटा ना क्लिक करिवे देखिबे जदी 10-15 मिनिट्स रो वीडियो होची एटलीस्ट 7-8 मिनिट पर्यंत देखिबे तापर विरक्त लागो बंद
But
कर
sir, so funny जिनसे मु कहे भाई एबे Instagram रे what it is happening and this is a very trending thingy and this is creating fights between couples. You know, girls are getting reels
Okay.
like your boyfriend is a red flag, you're this, if he's not these things, he's not a green flag and everything. These are all the reels. If ये इस यहाँ पे पैदा हुआ है तो ये green flag. Do you understand? These are creating problems between.
Instagram has become a therapist. Like,
Yeah.
how do you say? I feel Instagram is telling guys ki girls are bad, telling girls ki guys are bad.
Yeah.
That is the only thing. Ki you have a boyfriend.
The algorithm is creating a fraction, guys.
Yeah, that is the thing. People don't want to sort out real issues. Semane khali he's not picking up your call and this. He must be busy. वो बंदा बैठ के काम कर रहा होगा. लड़की के दिमाग में ठुरा दिया कि like he's talking to someone
वो लोग
else.
psychology को भी news बना देते
वही
हैं.
तो.
And they tamper with the actual psychological facts.
Yes. That is
If
the
I'm
thing.
not wrong, you have something going on with you for psychology,
Yeah.
right? So let me throw this question in the mix now. Ki how important is psychology? Your thought process जो भाबो अच्छी सेटा कंटेंट रे केमती ट्रांसलेट हुए.
इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज हम लोग कैसे बड़े हो रहे हैं, क्या साइकोलॉजी रह रहा है, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन अस व्हेन वी ग्रो अप और बीइंग हमारा पेरेंटिंग कैसे हो रहा है. इट डिपेंड्स कि हमारा साइकोलॉजी किस वे में रिएक्ट करता है. जस्ट गिव मी आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल कि आई हैव बीन रेज्ड बाय माई मदर.
Okay.
My mother is a single parent, so I have been staying with my mother since 11 years now. तो जैसे कि I have something like नहीं psychological issues हैं, mental pressure is real. तो वही चीज़ मुझे शो करना है कि this is very let's normalize this. हम लोग अगर ये चीज़ शेयर कर रहे हैं, it seems like we are weak and public is not accepting it. So जब मैं ढूंढ रही थी आई वॉज सर्चिंग आउट फॉर कॉन्टेंट लाइक विच कैन हेल्प मी बट इट आई कांट फाउंड सो आई वॉन्ट टू टेक
अपन
दैट
भाविला निजे मु किछि कंटेंट डेवलप
Exactly.
करके शेयर कर देते.
सो आई एम प्लानिंग
Content is the extension of your personality.
Yeah.
True. Content is king at the end of the day.
Or queen.
Queens.
Queens.
We got two today. But if I continue again, this psychology creates a bias.
Yeah.
Let's say there are two parties, party A, party B. Party B एक छोटी गलती कर दिया. अब पार्टी ए क्या करेगा कि अरे पार्टी बी एटा करला सेटा करला सेटा करला आओ गोटे प्रेजुडिस ऑफ बायस फॉर्म हे जाए एंड वी आर रिलक्टेंट कि ना ये न्यूज़ ठीक नहीं. सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, इट्स अ फैक्ट. No, the sun doesn't rise in the east. There is this angle to it which exists. So how do viewers or your viewers or y'all as journalists fight it? How do you all have a unbiased opinion in this day and age with content?
Because I would like to extend that question कि journalism her objective is basically the charter of OTV, free, fair and unbiased. when we make content, our aim should be to establish, to answer the 5W1H at least. Who, where, what, why, when and how. जदि गोटे content रे आमे ए questions, ए question marks गुड़ा answer कर दो, then I think the product is worth uploading, worth conveying to people. So yeah, so the thing is, आमे गोटे journalism रा ethics को केमते maintain करिबा या
that is the main crux because अबिका तमने एते कष्ट करछ पैसा आसुनी स्पॉन्सरशिप मिलनी आउ माने किछि भी करी कि तम मन को बायस काई कि ए पर्यंत आसीनी काई कि तम माने भाबिनो कि ना मु भूल इंफॉर्मेशन देबी गोटे एमतिया स्नीकी चीकी थंबनेल पके देबी व्यूज लाइक सब आसीला
सेटा एक्चुअली गोटे रियल जर्नलिस्ट माने जो माने ताकर सेटा तो हबो नै केबे मोर त हिरे
ethics
जर्नलिज्म एथिक्स
yeah
just the bodies or ethics be not just you don't have to be a journalist to be ethical.
Yeah, I think it is
but views
human ethics. I'm
डिपेंड
talking
लोभी होबा पड़ियो
Yeah.
लोभी से माने
I think you need to be really like, that really be fake and say fakeness, like I think people recognize it also. Some way or the other, like
After a point.
After a point you will like know, like you see, right? I do feel like some people who like give a lot of like these quotes and all that, psychologically those people are a little disturbed in real life. Don't you feel that?
that is true is basically they're saying all of this to themselves after a point
Like टूटे हुए दिल से संगीत निकलता है.
Yeah.
so what is the one okay let me go to my other questions y'all are actually how do I say giving me actual quick and concise answers I think the way of being a journalist you need these skills
We believe in KISS, KISS. You know what it is?
yes but
Keep
please.
it short and simple.
okay yes okay that one too I do know
I'm gonna use this one. This
Keep
is
it short and simple.
Keep it short and simple.
give it a kiss
Yeah.
and yeah so y'all are keeping it short and simple y'all are not going for other viewers by any chance that amount of time duration watched अबिका YouTube रे 10 मिनट वीडियो पकाओ 8 मिनिट्स रिटेंशन टाइम हैला सेटा भलो अधिक पैसा अधिक व्यूअरशिप एल्गोरिदम भी हेल्प करिवो आ अबिका आपण मन को कंटेंट केबे केबे गोटे मिनिट ही सरी पारिबो टाणीबो कि खाली गोटे मिनिट अछि छाडी देबो
गोटे मिनिट रे कंटेंट सारीबा
कंटेंट रो मसाला गोटे मिनिट रो अछि
There
से गोटे मिनिट को अबिका आपण 5-10 मिनिट टाणीबे कि गोटे मिनिट रे ही हां इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द कंटेंट
ना निश्चित तो किछि इंप्रूवेशन हबो
हाँ.
गोटे मिनिट रे सारिले तो माने हमर जर्नलिस्ट माने किछि आ फायदा रहबन किछि तक विश्लेषण करबो किछि वर्ड ऐड करा जिवो किंतु गोटे सर्टेन लिमिट अछि जदि जेमिति सीरियल गुडा का आसु जे अपन देखिथियो मते भारी माने जनरली खराब लागे सीरियल देखिया पय गोटे सीरियल ले देखेबे आपण दी जण जदि पार्टी अछंती गोटे मेल हो गोटे फीमेल हो गोटे सीन क्रिएट हबो जा कि 2-3 सेंटेंस थी मैक्सिमम मु भाबुची सेतिक रे कैमरा आपनकर रिफ्लेक्ट हबो या मुह ता मुह रिफ्लेक्ट हबो 10 मिनिट्स परे आसी गला आपनकर गोटे विरति आसीबो कमर्शियल ब्रेक तो सेटा एटलीस्ट न हो जर्नलिज्म रे हमें चेष्टा करू गोटे मिनिट रो स्क्रिप्ट को हमें टाणु टाणिला परे ताको 2 मिनिट 3 मिनिट करियो या न जे ताको माने 10-15 मिनिट के
और
आधा घंटे
स्मार्टली भी टिके ड्रैग करियो बगे जो असली
Actually, and
किछि
I'll tell
track
you
करें।
why he's telling this. Particularly when I am also on the field, माने मुझे लोग जाए. तो when you're interviewing a player, supposedly he has done so.
when you're
much.
interviewing Shikhar Dhawan or Ross Taylor or Ravi Shastri, you name.
So when you're going there, right? So the producer out there, he's like telling Prom, don't keep it short. Talk to them. Mane kotha hua, people want to know because how much you're extending. Like, why are you called there? Just to like, hi, how the game went. You scrapped these many wickets. This is not what, right? You have to understand what that person has done through. How has he become that great, that OG? And I'm talking about these big personalities. They really don't want to give you time. So it's a major challenge to keep them hooked there for 10-15 minutes. They don't care. Trust me. Like, you just go over there, like you call like Shikhar or somebody like.
oh Shikhar it seems huh
Bye.
No, I like shot the most with him.
Yeah,
Like
okay.
lot of content I've shot with him. So like initially he's like, show me everything because he's a content creator. Don't forget it.
Gabbar is a content creator.
Come on, like
Yes,
you
yes,
see,
he is. Yes,
the
he is.
OG content creator. So I told him like out of the cricket wala content, I told him I want to shoot a fun content. Now other cricketers still they listen. show me the content. Why will people laugh at this? I was like, I looked at 3 seconds like that. Why will people laugh at this? So, you know, he is very particular what he is shooting, what needs to be spoken and everything. So you need to be like building in your head. Like I got this 10-15 minutes with him. I need to stretch it to half an hour.
You have to have that excitement
Best use of
developed in
lines,
your.
Yeah, I mean, if the player is just leaving out there, like he's not interested. Because I tell this and I understand any girl who's also watching this, please trust me, don't go about like glam, have brains. It's always going to work. You have stats, you know what he has done, why he is like called this person. They also don't want to like speak shit. Like, I don't want to like.
They just want to have an honest conversation at the end of the day as well.
And then you pull through like beach mein, like we did a little bit of wrong answers. With Ross, I know. Ross is like, he's super funny. He doesn't want to talk serious
ମୁଁ
stuff.
ଟିକେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଫିୟର କରିବି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଦି ପ୍ରକାର ଯେମିତି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ କହିଲେ
Yeah.
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ପୋଡକାଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ଲଙ୍ଗରିଂ କରିପାରିବା କିଛି କଥା ନା କାରଣ ଆମେ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଆସିଲା ମନକୁ ତାକୁ ବି ଆମେ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ସୋ ସେଇ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଲଙ୍ଗ ହବ ସେଥିରେ କିଛି କଥା ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ ବି କିଛି ଟଣା ହଟରା ହୁଏନି ଜେନୁଇନ୍ କଥା ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଏଠି ବସିକି କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମିତି କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଯେମିତି ହେଲା ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟଟା ଟାଣିବାଟା ମୋ ହିସାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲିମିଟ୍ ରହିବା ଦରକାର ଏ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଅଧିକା ହବ କନଭରସେସନ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ପଚାରିବି ଆପଣ ଗାଁ କୋଉଠି କହିଲେ ପୁଣି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ପଚାରିବି ନାଁ କହିବି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ଗୋଟେ ଉଦାହରଣ ସ୍ୱରୂପ
ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ରହିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁଇ
ତାପରେ କିଛି ସମୟ ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ପରେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଭିତରେ କିଛି ମାନେ ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ବ୍ରେନରୁ ବାହାରେ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଅଡିଏନ୍ସକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ
See, also another thing when like there's a cricketer coming in, he's lost a game. Okay, so you lost
his state of
yeah,
mind.
he's lost a game. Some of the people, how do you feel? Is he gonna feel good over there?
I feel amazing. Stuck out to
Feel good
amazing.
over there. He is literally low over there. So how it's somebody has won the match now. He is like you ask anything over there. You can ask anything. He's in a chilled out. Somebody who's lost the game or somebody who's like nail biting game. Kuch matlab difficulties.
Couple of runs se haar gaya.
So what do you want to talk to him? And you're on live. Basically, you're given like 1-2 minute ka slot. And you're asking him, it's like I'm asking him, how do you feel? Where did you go? No, he doesn't want to give him some motivation. Like, we've seen you, but what went a little frisky for you. We wish you all the best. How are you planning to come back in the next game? It's very technical. Those things are very technical to understand. And that's why you need to understand the psychology of a human being whom you're interviewing.
Yeah.
The psychology
Wow.
is.
You know what? I'll interrupt here. Our producer Shiparna, who's behind the camera, happens to be Promita's junior, and she, while doing research about her, she was very curious. Please ask Promita, ki how to become a sports anchor. How did she?
Oh, can I just added another layer of interest in this?
Yeah.
She was my junior.
What? What is happening here?
Yeah, trust me, it was just a whole different experience because I remember she was really good at running in badminton.
Okay.
Red House.
Red House, yeah.
Red House, yeah, she was in Red House and she would be really fast. She had no interest in cricket.
No.
And then all the boys who used to play cricket and be like, oh, we are dudes. How does it feel? Like, because as a dude, as a so-called dude or whatever, we have so many guys who are into cricket.
Yeah.
And then there is you, who's chilling out and like shikhar. So how does your transition go from not liking cricket to actually being amazing in that field?
So what used to happen, like, you know, back in school, IPL was the only thing. IPL khali gote jinso samasya dekhutile. So se khara done chutte asla pare they used to write all these things, and you know all these people, Abhishek Satyar, they are making. I'm making them famous, yeah, dude. Nice. So these people used to be here and they are all ranting. I'm like, dude, shut up. What is all? They'll go to the games period and they are like playing like somebody is like a OG Virat Kohli. They're talking. The moment I'm there, like, kya chal raha hai? Why are people? And T20 had just started back then. So they used to have all insights. Bang on, they saw me in IPL. The first question was, you need any insights and help from us? Please contact. Hey, please, you are making here and there. That's why we were talking to you then. We knew it, like you could become somebody. As I was like, no, I was not interested in the sport as much. And my father also taunts me, Aji Papa, like used to change the television so much. While, you know, Voice of India used to come and, you know, with the class 5-6 I'm talking about.
Voice of India?
Yeah, you remember that, no? So it was, you know, all
I
these...
think Arijit Singh was Voice of India.
No, Gurukul, I guess.
Fame Gurukul. Gurukul.
So when the test matches used to happen then, and my father's like constantly on the remote and he'll just go to the loo or something and we have changed. he like used to like, why did you change this a test game? And bang on to today when I'm watching like test game like this and everything, it becomes like that. And that's also coming in now. T20, like fast paced content, right?
Yes.
T20 is like, nobody wants to sit and watch a test match. It's OG cricket. So in the school thingy you came up na, so the first lines are like, hey, you need any insights and help, please contact.
See, insight is basically there everywhere.
Everywhere.
Insight is here.
What's that? Is that yours?
Yes.
You kept it from the event.
Yes.
Tell me about it.
So this one, I have wore it to all the games basically. So what used to happen na, when we're just doing our makeup and everything, so they don't allow us the phones and all. Oh my god, I'm saying it, but I'm saying it.
Oh,
So then
guys, next thing,
exclusive.
catch up.
So I'm like, yeah, I have my makeup kit here and I'll put that up and I'm on camera. I've gone many times. So this is very handy. And मैंने इसको मतलब, I've kept it like not like caring for it, but it's really, I'm taking one more. That's what I'm selling people. Yeah.
It's but as we continue,
Yeah.
you've told us about how your journey has, your thought process has changed in the journey.
Yeah.
But let's say a newbie like me,
Okay.
who wants, I'm not that I'm going to come in, but
Yeah.
if I decide ki I want to figure out a way to enter sports journalism,
Yeah.
or the viewers we have, what is the way for them to approach this task?
So for me, it was like a luck by chance. It was nothing like I wanted or I as of now you could have understood. So I went through FIH Pro League. That was why I finished office and office ke baad, because I was interning while Khelo India University Games used to happen. My journey was behind the camera most of the times. I was in content, social media, understanding. So they were like, I think you should give it a try. It's like, dude, I don't know.
ठीक अछि।
ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି କି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବାର କଣଟା ଅଛି, ଏମିତି ମଜା ଲାଗେ ସବୁ କ୍ୟାମେରା, ବଟ୍ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡିଆ ଢଗାନି ମଜା ମଜାରେ ଖଜା ବାହାରି ଯିବ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ଯିଏ ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ଆସେ ଯିଏ ଡେଲିଭର କରିବ ଲାଇଭ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ, ଇଟ୍ ବିକମ୍ସ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ। तो आई एम टेलिंग यू कि मु गोटे ऑडिशन देला पर व्हेन दे सॉ मी दे लाइक कि एंड मोर फर्स्ट गिग वाज हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप। दिस वाज द क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग टू डू, बट फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक अ पैशन। वी हैव पीपल आउटसाइड ओडिशा, बट वी हैव थिंग्स जोटा कि आम ओडिया जिंस सेटा कंप्लीटली एकरे आमर राज्य रे होची, तो आमे ओडिया को प्रमोट कर काई ना ऑडियंस हमर सेठी सब ओडिया संबलपुरी सुनुथिले, तो से गोटे फीलिंग फर्स्ट आसीबो कि नाही आम निज जगह करछु तो आमे स्टार्टअप करिवो। तो से जिनसटा को मु जतबेले देखिली साइड रे कि sports and Odisha and a female thingy is not much here. I felt like ki this needs to be carried down somewhere. When people come here, they take more and more talent from here. They shouldn't be feeling ki Mumbai, Delhi has the only talent, but our Odisha reporters, in fact, when IPL we were shooting here, we were shooting here free.
OTV free hit.
OTV free hit.
Okay.
But it was so amazing. मु जेते जन को तांका experts आसुथिले, and I think that Sunandan गोटे भी he shot it.
Yes.
I enjoyed watching his video. Now people आमे बुझिबा कथा कि Odisha has so much of talent. When I look around, they have so much of talent. But the most important thing about Odia people is they're very humble. They're very simple. You wouldn't find Odias like fighting, shouting.
No. I mean,
But-
easy going. Odias are easy going.
Easy going. But then the other thing comes, and I'm very regional about it. If we have talent here, sports or anything, you have to keep the talent first. You bring other people, they could be, but they know the flavor of Odisha. So the people who want to understand, getting into it, first is interning at places where sports, like you see, like there are a couple of places, you apply your CV, understand what goes behind the scenes. Then you will know upon ithre stand kar parchandi ki nahi. Like there are many people who come up and ask. For me, it was never an easy journey. Auditions, multiple people, multiple rejections. Multiple means you see one success story, one leak, but there would be like some 20, 30 rejected thingy. तो आपण से जिनसो केते हम्बली एक्सेप्ट करचंती कि ना मु मिस्टेक करची मते बहुत बेटर करार छी। माने आपण जंते व्यूअरशिप कथा कहले आपण बहुत बढ़िया कंटेंट बनाउछन हमें जानि छु, बट जे गोटे लेस डिजर्विंग सेठी पाइ जाय। मो मेंटालिटी कोन हबो कि मु भाबिबी कि नाही से एते करची मु करनी ना, मु आजि मो वीडियो जंते बनि छी मो काली मो कंटेंट आहुरी बेटर।
One step, it's like a stacking process.
Yeah.
Improve by a percent or two.
And social media, I'm telling you, they need to upload. You're interested in sports, start uploading content on social media. Go to those places. What if you're getting? So your ego, your attitude, you need to bring it here first of all. any journalism field. You want to get it there, you have to be here, you have to fight it there, you have to go places, you have to send people on LinkedIn. There will be 10 rejections, one thing will come, and then you have to
Nobody's
capture
going to remember the 99 times you failed.
Yeah.
All we need is one.
That
one
1%.
good thing.
Now we talk about that
Can
one.
I ask Prom, since you talk ki, yes, Odia people are very easygoing, they're very humble. But then, जितने गोटे लोग सक्सेस को छुए ना बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म मिले
Yeah, I know.
negative backlash. I'll give an example from, if you're comfortable, please talk about
Yeah,
it. Like when
I
you
know.
hosted at Barabati, it was amazing. I was there at Barabati.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
But you got a lot of people backlash talking shit.
Yeah.
How did you deal with it?
No, see, जितने ट्रोलिंग हुए to a level कि हाँ ठीक करनी कि मैंने if I have made a mistake ना I will own it कि मैंने हाँ mistake है जी. But what is happening, because BCCI has a protocol. You should remember कि you have the first English, you have to prefer it up कि you have to speak the protocols there. Then you are in Qatar. I was enjoying the vibe. I forgot I was in like BCCI, ICC, India. I forgot it because you know what? For me to get a ticket to watch a match was very difficult.
Okay.
Getting a ticket to watch when I used to be there, माने हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप रे तबे 2018 रे इतला 100 टंगार टिकेट मते मिलिथिला गोटे 100 टंगार टिकेट एंड सलमान खान हैड कम एंड ऑल दैट मैं बहुत स्ट्रगल करके मुझे मैच भी देखी छे. So for me ना going from getting a 100 rupees ticket to go watch, so I forgot it all. I was like I am here today, I want to be around like Katkiya vibe. I want to be this Katak girl, dahi vada, sorry boda कहतली, that's where it all.
Dahi vada.
Yeah.
Bro.
So that's where the controversy started.
That's okay. That's okay. I think that was a slip of tongue.
Yeah, that was a slip of tongue.
I'm with you with this.
Seটা ଗୋଟେ slip of tongue ହେଇଗଲା and I
जो
think
जोटा कि लोग को बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बनेई देले जोटा कि absolutely unnecessary थला.
unnecessary and they went to like कौन rape threats देले. That was too much.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
was like
Dahi
rape.
vada.
Yeah, because see, and I also started to see these particular.
ଦହି ବରା କହିବା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦହି ବରା
ତ ଆପଣ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ୍ସ ଦେଖିଲି ଯାହା ଯାଙ୍କର ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଥିଲି କି uneducated ଲୋକ ତ ଏମିତି କଥା ହେଇପାରିବେ. What about educated people? Someone is an engineer, someone is a doctor, someone is a lawyer. And then I was reading comments. There is where I lost it. Ki like these are educated people. Uneducated people, you expect all this. And we are talking about men only. There were women writing. That is the catch.
Okay, so women were also threatening you.
Yeah, those with lines and all that. Some girl, she to wrote me like, your face is like a clown. How did your parents like give a face like you? They went to that level.
Arey, yeah.
This is too much. I was like, and somebody is like, if you, speak about it, we are going to rape you. I have that. I uploaded all the screenshots and I showed it.
Yeah, you made a follow-up video.
I was like, I'm going to give it back. Let them think
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
whatever.
ତାରି ଉପରେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରିବେ ସେଟା ସବୁଠାରୁ ବେଟର.
Now, because journalism, sir,
Yeah.
you also need to pitch in now. This question is just for you. As a journalist, y'all are going to tell the truth.
Yeah.
And ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସତ୍ୟ ପାଚିବନି ପେଟରେ
हाँ.
ରାଗିଯିବେ ପେଟ ଗରମ ହେଇଗଲା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଗରମ ହେଇଗଲା ଶୋଧିବେ 10 ଜିନିଷ କରିବେ. How do you all as individuals take the backlash, take the heat? You all are just giving people information and they're not willing to accept the information and they decide to do horrendous things with you. Why? Like education is not even a thing. Basic humanity is lost.
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
It doesn't matter. लोगों का काम है वो लोग बोलेंगे but it shouldn't hamper you. That
It doesn't give you a like psychologically speaking. It doesn't
Yeah,
affect
it
your
does.
psyche and headspace. Ki what if?
It does, but I question myself. Does it make me happy? So I keep myself in a priority and I ask myself, does it make me happy or is it important for me?
So you fight the threats because of your content.
Yeah.
Sir,
ମୁଁ କହିବି ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଖିଆଲ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା. ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲି ବ୍ୟାଟେରୀ ଇନଭର୍ଟର ଉପରେ ଯେ ବ୍ୟାଟେରୀ ଚାର୍ଜ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯେତିକି ସମୟ ଲାଗେ ଯେତିକି ବିଜୁଳି ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହୁଏ ଆମେ ସେତିକି ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରୁନା. ମାନେ ସପୋଜ ମୋ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ମୋର କରେଣ୍ଟ ରହିଲା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ବ୍ୟାଟେରୀରୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କଲି ଜିନିଷ ବ୍ୟାକଅପ୍ଟା ଯେତିକି ୟୁଜ୍ କଲି ସେତିକି ଚାର୍ଜ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ତାଠୁ ଡବଲ ବିଜୁଳି ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହୁଏ. ତାର ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କ୍ରିପ୍ଟିଂ କରିଥିଲି ସବୁ ଲେଖିଲି ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ କରିକି ଲେଖିଲି. ভিডিও ভিউজ ভাল হলা মানে উইদিন 3-4 ডেজ 10K 20K পার গেলা মোর মানে ভালো ভিডিও বলে মু সেটা ভাবিলি. से गोटे इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट से कमेंट करुच्ची माने बैड लैंग्वेज सब व्यवहार करके एटा किए न जानी माने मु एक्चुअली जणिया चाहिए टू द माने इंजीनियर्स से माने बहुत नॉलेजेस मोटू मु जानी मु जा जानी गोटे साधारण लोक जानु इन्वर्टरटा गोटे साधारण लोक व्यवहार करुच्ची से माने भावती से माने डरी जाती बेले बेले जे गोटे इन्वर्टरटा मु व्यवहार करबी बिल बढ़ी जीवो कि केते बिल बढ़िवो केते एम्पियर बा केते किलोवाट रो इन्वर्टर बैटरी आपण व्यवहार कले केते बिल बढ़िवो से वीडियोटी होची से रिलेटेड गोटे साधारण लोक बुझिवो जे एतिक मोर हाम्पर हबो इलेक्ट्रिक बिल ले मु तण करे इन्वर्टरटा आनी परिबी नॉर्मली जो मानक घरे मु कहबी एटी गोटे उदाहरण 600 700 बिल आसुतो जदि से गोटे 1 किलोवाट इन्वर्टर लगौछन ताकर बिल आइसो 1200 टका विदाउट सोलार जदि लगौछन ताले 1200 टका बिल निहाती आसीबो तो सेटा मु लोकन को बुझाय पे चेष्टा कले से मते कहले तू तोर अधिक कहि परिबेगा तोर अधिक ज्ञान अछि हां तोर अधिक ज्ञान अछि तू भलो बुझौछु तो मु जतल ता प्रोफाइल की विजिट कले विथ जीरो वीडियो विथ जीरो सब्सक्राइबर मु से गोटे भलो कमेंट देली मु कहले सर देखुन जदि आपण बेसी मोठू ज्ञानी अछन ताले गोटे YouTube चैनल करंतु एवं जो ज्ञानटा आपण भाबुछु मो भीतर अछि लोकन को जणा मु जानि नै आपण इंजीनियर की कोन से कथा तो मु जानिया पे चेष्टा करू मु जा जानि छी मु जा एनालिसिस कली माने इंटरनेट रु विभिन्न प्रकार माने सोशल मीडिया रु सेटा मु लोकन को देखिया पे चाहिए मु चाहिए जे गोटे इंजीनियर वाला को पाठ पढेबी कि इंजीनियर जे पढौची ताको पाठ पढेबी सेटा कोन हमर संभव कि आमे जहा जानिछु सिंपल वर्ड रे लोकन को बुझी
आपण को टारगेट ऑडियंस अलगा अछि आपण टारगेट ऑडियंस इंजीनियर
से माने माने दरकार नै से माने एक्चुअली माने ए जिंस को देखिबे भी दरकार नै से जानि सुनी से जिंस भीतर पछिबे देखि आपण को बैड कमेंट करिवे किछ आमे त गोटे भलो रिप्लाई दो अन्य जो माने देखंती से माने भी अन्य लोक माने एक्चुअली जो माने फॉलो रियल फॉलोअर से माने गाड़ी दवा स्टार्ट करन आमे तो माने सोशल मीडिया गाड़ी दे परिबुनी तो भलो भाषा रे आमे बुझेबु
कैंसिल कर
गाड़ी देबे हम फॉलोअर्स माने तापर से आराम से चुप हो किछ असुविधा नै सेटा हुए निश्चित भाबरे समस्त जो माने सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट तयार करछन निश्चित तो से जिंस माने केबे ना केबे आसीथिवो माने गाड़ी एकदम खराब वर्ड रे गाड़ी दियंती किछि
अरे आपण माने देखंतु लाइक शुभमन गिल माने से तंको टेस्ट कैप्टन डिक्लेयर करा हला तो माने माने केते बैकलैश माने मु निजे पढुथिली तो आमने किए लाइक ही इज अ टेस्ट कैप्टन ऑफ द कंट्री एंड हाउ ही हैड टू प्रूव सो दिस जस्ट हाउ फास्ट द नाइट चेंजेस लाइक गिल द कैप्टन द फ्यूचर माने फ्रॉम ट्रोलिंग हिम लाइक एनीथिंग
apparently they were used to troll him about some injury of his, right?
and not his
Especially
voice.
after the first test, India
Yes.
harila pore.
Yes.
Heavy trolling hela.
Heavy.
And after the previous test, I think the dynamics has
The
changed.
dynamics have changed. You imagine like what a player goes through. Mane they are such mane samane ette level ro achanti. Mane just flip off the coin. Mane people are so obsessed. Mane tankara nijjara mane jo raga feelings mate lage na. ସେମାନେ ନିଜେ ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫ ରେ ଏତେ ଖୁସି रहनाती नो सेन पर्सन
सोशल मीडिया रे
हां नो सेन पर्सन माने आमे के आमे
And negative content sells.
हां आके गोटे सेन पर्सन आसी के केबे एमती अभद्रंग बेले हबस
केबे भी करिवे
से बहुत निजे डिस्टर्ब ताके सुनिया को नांती आमे एमती देखिबो से ता कथाडा कहूचे सेठी ना विराट कोहली रिटायर करिया कथा जहां भी सिगल रिटायर करले माने एबे जाके से विंबलडन रे जाइथिले अरे तांको मुहटा गोटे जे सी गोटे 36 ईयर वाचिंग 38 ईयर अरे तमे कोन जानचो भाई सी कोहती पाई जाई चंती तांको मुहटा मे बी ही इज हंग्री मे बी ही इज थर्स्टी मे बी लाइक
He just had a long flight.
yeah stress it doesn't matter that also sells so this is the thing
So it's basically how to. Okay, now I have another question. Y'all are digital journalists.
yeah
So are those people. Now they take one wrong photo. अभी इसका कोई फोटो लेकर बोलेगा yeah this person is allergic to BS.
yes
And then they're going to put in a tag ki, oh my god, this person did this before this, and just sauce it up.
I'm telling you one thing. Last year when the Star Sports thing had come, na Satul Jadra Astila, I was the runners up. So I came here. I won't name the news channel. Okay, I had not even made any statement like that. मैं video जाएंगे देख पा रही मैं. She has written on the thumbnail कि Pramita is supposedly mentioned that this cricketer crushes on her and she's.
Supposedly.
सपोजली एमती गोटे कौन करी कि मो सहित काफी क्रिकेटर फ्लोट करछत मु कहली मु कही नाही एमती किछि एंड दैट वीडियो हैज गॉन अप एंड माय फ्रेंड्स आर सेंडिंग Okay, I've not spoken like what.
And honestly speaking, I won't be shocked if that's true also.
But imagine the cheek of these people. Just
Yeah.
whoever you are, don't get me, please. I'm just having a conversation.
No, I filed a legal case on them, dude. I didn't
Yeah,
leave
no, it's
them.
important. Like whoever you are, please.
Yeah.
Don't get offended. We're having honest conversation
This
about
is-
news and journalism.
Yeah.
So they just made something out of something because they know the traction you have on your socials.
Yeah.
People do that. कि बात का बतंगड़ बना दो.
No, that's a
Exactly.
thumbnail
Exactly.
thingy. It's a thumbnail. Like people are going to, okay, which cricketer did she speak? They're gonna watch the
And
video.
then,
That had
did they have a
names
name?
Huh?
Did they have a name of any cricketer?
No, that's
Okay.
no
wow.
names also.
It was just a clickbait.
No names also. And now you're talking. I'm also talking.
Pramita, this cricketer did flirt with Pramita. That's the thumbnail. You have to
Just
click.
the word this.
Yes.
No, leave that. I'm talking about another thingy. When this Barbati controversy came, you know, you put my photo. Why have you put a photo of a cricketer and mine on that clickbait to attract? I'm like,
Which
what?
cricketer? Which cricketer?
I
Come on, come on.
they,
If you don't say, we'll find out.
Yeah, we can just like we have a good team here. Thank you, team, for being so amazing. हमें ठीक है research करके good
they
thumbnail
have
लगे दो.
posted Shikhar and my photo over there, and I'm watching that video.
Is that why you call him Shikhar? Sorry, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Go.
I like watching the video like this. ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଏଇଟାରେ କ'ଣ ପକେଇବାର ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ photo. ନାଇଁ madam viewership.
Viewership. The key.
Dude, I'm like,
But
dude.
also, I wanted to ask you,
Yeah.
case being a sports journalist, you don't just go to cricket events. You also
Yeah.
go to kabaddi events,
Yes.
badminton events, and a lot of sports. How have you understood so many games in
Yeah.
such a short span of time?
So what happens? All these athletes basically have the same mindset. Okay, athletes journey, like somebody from Star told me, it takes a lot to be a sports anchor, but it takes like heaven and earth to move that and become like an athlete. So most of the athletes na semane gote usually lower middle class background, they don't come from both struggle. Apana jetteବେଳେ indigenous games dekhanti, you try to understand what that athlete goes through. Mane we cannot be an athlete. Chatta pasta uঠিba, and I'm not talking about a bigger athletes.
Discipline life.
Women athletes, when I was doing women's kabaddi, and I'm talking about it very openly, like she was on her periods basically, and she has come to mane kabaddi kheliya pe. That's like they are having trials. So you are understanding over there like the athletic journey. So you don't try to like ki kabaddi game cover kare achi, football jibar achi. I want to read stats. I want to know like say person kemti asichi. Then I build emotion for the game कि मु emotional हुए था story सुनी की कार को injury है ची कि को to fight कर ची Vaibhav Suryavanshi for an example, most of them don't know the story. Like 3 hours he used to take from that village area to come to practice. 3 hours he used to go. 2-3 hours he used to sleep. That's what makes athletes. We want to see the surface layer of an athlete. We don't want to go to the journey. So for me, it's not about like what game I'm watching, but what that athlete goes through. Then it becomes very easy to understand a game. The technique I'm involved. So basically I talk to them like we are sitting over there because most of them semane English kahi parantini and they try to put them on screen. I understand ki samase kahi pariben. So I sit with them like normally. I ask them what did you eat, what did you practice, and you've got an injury here. How are you gonna refresh yourself up? So he will say a lot of things there. So I understand it's like a person talk, heart to heart talk. Then that person share the game. Then you understand the game.
So like
That's-
they are any which way is going through so much of mental strain.
Yeah.
Millions of people rooting for them.
Yeah.
The same millions, if they mess up,
Yeah.
they'll abuse left, right, and center.
Yeah.
Other than that, they've got so much of physical stress which they have to endure, and then the added layer of forced controversies.
Yes. Lot of it.
Now, coming to forced controversy, sorry, I'm just trying to have a nice segment. Social media. Abhika, let's go to the US. Crazy battle happening between Trump and Elon Musk.
Yeah.
Now, Elon Musk has X, also known as Twitter once upon a time.
Yeah.
He has control over media. Now, y'all are going on these social platforms, Instagram, YouTube. By any chance, do you all feel authentic information or what the truth is? Aku dabbai ki rakhi dauchi algorithm kauchi na ye information aw ame spread karibunu. Does that happen? Because they have a monopoly, they can propagate, से मैंने कहबे ना मते न्यूज देखैबा नहीं मु देखैबी नी what are your views about one entity having power over what is truth and what is not?
See, monopoly, just because you own a platform, monopoly that's not possible anymore, because people are so empowered right now with other platforms, with various sources of information, that people will figure out. And you know what? Elon Musk, I think X as a platform is fair and trustworthy.
Okay.
I personally feel I might be incorrect also. And तमको जदि किसी news मिलुची X रे तमे ग्रोक को पचारी की तरह fact check भी कर
See, X is more of an example.
Yeah.
Now let's say we're in Odisha. Now the government also has its limitations and restrictions on all these social media platforms. We can say something, we can't say something. How is it that, is it controlling media and news?
It is.
Okay.
Let me tell you a situation.
Sure.
Few years back in Sambalpur, there was a danga. If you
Yes.
You know?
There was a shutdown for a week.
Yeah, that where government tried to control the socials. It was completely,
Internet was banned, yeah.
Internet was banned.
At
Yeah.
Sambalpur, I was
For
there
3
at
days.
Sambalpur
For how long?
3 or 4 days.
for 3 or 4 days.
This is what I want to. This was my fear point. Because if somebody has total power, that monopoly, irrespective, goes
It
to the
is
person.
going on.
So the context is, it was during Ram Navami time, I
Yeah,
think.
on the day of Ram
On the day of Ram Navami, there
And
was a
there were-
Hindu-Muslim riot at Sambalpur.
सेम
Exactly.
सिचुएशन भद्रक रे भी हुए भद्रक रे 10-15 डेज पर्यंत भी इंटरनेट ऑफ अछि एक्चुअली
Connectivity cut off है
कनेक्टिविटी कट ऑफ हो जाए एक्चुअली गोटे प्लस पॉइंट कोन मोर घर जोटी मो गां जोटी मु भद्रक बॉर्डर रे रुए माने 500 मीटर दूर आरंभ जो केउंझर डिस्ट्रिक्ट
अच्छा
सो समस्त घर नेट न थाए मो घरे नेट थाए मोर केउंझर टाडे सो से माने भद्रक रो टावर को स्पेशली शट आउट करन सो केउंझर टावर वर्किंग केउंझर टावर टा मो घर टू 2 किलोमीटर हबो ऑन एयर म कहूची
Connectivity.
कनेक्टिविटी पाई गेली सो ए मु एई जिंस भाबी कि मु जाउची मोर सीएससी सेंटर को जाउची देखली रास्ता रे बसी चंती 500 खंडे पिला दी साइड रे बसचंती मु कहली आ सोशल मीडिया जो बंद करा गला जे नेटटा बंद कर दिया गला जे हिंदू मुस्लिम गंडगोल पे बंद कर दिया गला से 7 दिन जाके सब आसी कि सेठी हमर से टुडे आर्टिफिशियल फॉरेस्ट अछि सब से आराम से जगह मिल गला फॉरेस्ट भी अच्छी छाई जगह मिली होची पिच सड़क भी अच्छी किसी असुविधा नहीं सब बसी गले जगह बाय जगह जो बसिया पय सब सीट तैयार करछि सरकार सब तैयार कर दैछि बसिया पय सेट सब बसी कि ताकर
सर मु थिली बुर्ला संबलपुर रे जतले इंटरनेट शटडाउन होला मु देब्रीगढ़ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी टुवर्ड्स पळौतिल सेपटु बरगढ़ रे इंटरनेट धरतुला मु काम करथि
जणे खाली व्यक्ति दरकार जे कहि दबे जे नेटटा ही जगह
हां एटी धरछि
Point of information.
5 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर दूरରୁ जो माने अछथि से माने आसी गाड़ी धरि गेटी बसिबे माने काम कोन आमे तो एक्चुअली गोटे काम करूछु कंटेंट क्रिएट करूछु से माने स्क्रॉल करिवे
Doom scrolling.
doom scrolling
बस किछि नहीं.
हाँ.
But you were telling me about Sambalpur.
Yeah.
And so for 3 days there was a internet blackout. Were phone calls possible?
Yeah, phone calls
calls
were
allowed.
possible, but the internet uses was completely shut down.
You know, like automatically information is going to be restricted because आजकल लोगों को पता नहीं Instagram के अलावा information
I
कहाँ
belong
निकाल.
from Sambalpur. I
Okay.
wasn't present there. I was in Bhubaneswar. I'm studying here, so I used to call my mother and got some news. There was a vast riot, I must say, because the police inspectors, they were injured completely.
यस
Yeah.
इतने खराब ही जाइए
हाँ
Exactly.
ठीक है सीन खराब है जेतला एंड जिते बड़े गोटे स्पेसिफिक ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशन ने शटडाउन हुए आई थिंक सेट बहुत स्ट्रेटेजिक था गवर्नमेंट जदी किछि डिसीजन नै छि से बहुत भाबी चिंती माने गोटे कंट्रोल्ड सिचुएशन गोटे एनवायरनमेंट भितरे क्रिएट करिया को ए डिसीजन टा नै आही जाइथि
But similarly, the way the government is doing this, what if Instagram decides to do this with us? We are at war, and Instagram is like, let's support America or whoever and not give them information.
और लेट्स बैन इंस्टाग्राम इन इंडिया
Yeah.
Now,
Just
how will
like
you
TikTok.
exchange information?
Yeah.
But so, what about this monopoly when it comes to journalism?
ना एक्चुअली जेतेबेले एई सब फैक्ट गुडा आसुची जे सेंसिटिव डाटा लीक हे जिवो हिंदू मुस्लिम गंडोळ अन्य स्टेट को कि अन्य डिस्ट्रिक्ट को पळेले असुविधा हो सेतेबेले पर्यंत ठीक अछि सोशल मीडिया को बंद करा गला ठीक अछि किंतु एबे इंटरनेट रे अछि गोटे एजेंसी अछन जे YouTube रो व्यूज को ग्रो करंती अपन जानना
हाँ.
अछि अपन
View farming.
केबे देखिथिबे
View farming.
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ट्रेंडिंग आनिया पे तांको हायर करि परिबे किछि असुविधा नै आपण से त ट्रेंडिंग हबो आपण व्यूअर्स मान न देखंतु जेतिकी से प्रमोट करके ताको ट्रेंडिंग करे देबे बाकी जो माने जो फॉलोअर्स माने होंतो को नॉर्मल व्यूअर होंतो से देखिया पे चाहउना से कंटेंट को से भी ताको फीड्स रे आसो
that is the algorithm game that's going and that is also
सेट काम करिवो जबरदस्त मु एटा आपन देखैबी
so that is what people also hire agencies and all to make content viral even mo content रे किछि नै मु जबरदस्ती algorithm रे लोकंकर पसिबी
प्राइस भी बहुत कम 5000 पेमेंट जदी करबे आपन ट्रेंडिंग पळे आसो किछि असुविधा
5000 ट्रेंडिंग
सेडा चाहू एक्चुअली मु जानि छि ट्रेंडिंग कोठ हुए माने केते टंका रे हुए किंतु तथापि मु ताको माने प्रोत्साहन देई नै जे
5000 टंका रे ट्रेंडिंग केमती करबे नेक्स्ट वीडियो
हाउ सिंपल लाइक 5000 टंका रे इंफॉर्मेशन बिकम्स ट्रेंडिंग
ए साइज रे गोटे घर करछंती 20-25 टा खंड पीसी अछि एक्चुअली सेटा गोटे नुवा टेक्नोलॉजी से माने आनछंती जस्ट मोबाइल लो खाली एलसीडी कनेक्ट हुए
हां
गोटे पैनल अछि से पैनल रे
व्यू फार्मिंग
माने गोटे मशीन ले 500 मोबाइल कंट्रोल करे
हां
सबुतरे आपन वीडियो चलला कि असुविधा
तड़ाधड़ पड़िबो तो आपन को अभी का आउ गोटे टॉपिक चला यही जिंस को नहीं कि आपन स्कीम्स विषय कथा करंती न्यू सेगमेंट स्कीम्स और स्कैम्स
निश्चित
है कि स्कीम्स रे मते लागे बहुत स्कैम हुए
Scam भी
जेमति कहले 2000 टका आसीबो इमते केते पैसा गायब हो जाए
2000 टंका आसीबो तापर एक्चुअली कोन हुए देखंतु स्कैम होची लोक माने ठकंती अनऑथराइज्ड साइट की जाई से विषय मु वीडियो करे से माने देखियो गोटे बोरवेल सब्सिडी धरा जो आरंभ हला बोरवेल एक्चुअली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिए जाए 100% फाइनेंस न मिले 90% सब्सिडी मिले गोटे लक्ष टंकार प्रोजेक्ट आपन को 10 कि 20000 भीतर मिल जाओ किंतु लोक कॉम्पिट लागन ताको भीतर जे केमिति गोटे ब्लॉक को आस्तो पांचटा चासी होचंती 100 कि 500 300 बड़ बड़ चासी 500 कि 1000 वाली दुईटा तीनटा जो आसीबो तांकर कोटा जे दुईटा तीनटा भीतर ता भीतर अछि माने आपन पाखु आसला बेलू गोटे भी नथिबो से सिस्टम भी अछि ब्लॉक रे सबुडा माने बैक एंड तांका चलिए तो कागो दवा खाता देबे किंतु ता भीतर कंपटीटर माने आमरी माने जो माने चासी होसन एक्चुअली शीघ्र फसी जान से माने कोन करिवे पैसा टारगेट आरंभ करी जे पैसा कागो देले कामटा हे परिबो से माने ऑनलाइन ले खोजिबे ऑनलाइन ले अपन देखो गोटे टर्म जदी खोजछन जे पैसा देकी मई कामटा करिवे अपन पाखरे 1000 न्यूज आसीबो आ ताकू माने बेस करके अपन इंस्टाग्राम जानतु जे कोन से सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म जानतु अपन ऐड भी सही हिसाब रे
एल्गोरिथम धरुची कोन अपन
कैच करनेला जे ए लोकर मेंटालिटी होचे ये एक गोटे बोरवेल दरकार आ ये 2-3000 टका दवा पर्यंत रेडी अछि से भी मानसिकता ये बुझी गला एल्गोरिथम सो एबडा किछ फेक वेबसाइट भी आसे स्पेशली फेसबुक रे ऐड देखिबे जे जेमिति आपनकर होची आईफोन 10000 नो आईफोन
10000 टमु तो देखि से जो टंके दी टंका रे एड्स भी देखि
स्कैम ता हे जाय
वाओ
सो सेटा को निहति रिक्वेस्ट करियो जो व्यूअर्स माने हमको देखुचंदी ताको अवॉइड करिवे एक्चुअली गोटे जिंस गोटे ए जिंस रो दाम अछि ए जिंसटा 20000
2 टका रे तो मिलिबो
2 टका रे मिलियो माने आपन तो निहति तो गोटे क्रॉस एग्जामिन करंतु माने काहे कि 2 टका दोछि किछि जेन्युइन अछि कि तादेर कि किछि खेळ अछि कि तादेर दे होछि कि नले जदी आपनकर बैटिंग फेटिंग हेते सी भी ओला कथा अपन डायरेक्ट चले जाउछन सेठी आपन कह देबे गोटे प्रमोशनल फी आपन 2000 डिपॉजिट करंतु
हम 5-10 लाख लोक
माने संगे संगे
देई देबे
हां रिक्वेस्ट एक्चुअली फोन पे गूगल पे रे गोटे डिमेरिट अछि मो सेटा भी कहबी आपन प्लेटफॉर्म जरिया रे जे रिक्वेस्ट मनीटा हटा जाउ सेठ रिक्वेस्ट मनी अनेक लोक बुझी पारुना आपण मते मनी रिक्वेस्ट करि परिबे से माने को करिवे अन्य जो लोक माने जानि नाहंती से कहबे आपण ओके खाली करके पिन नंबरटा दबे देन आपण जो ईपिन अछि से काई से तो भाबो मु तो पैसा पठे नहीं गला केमे तो एई जो प्रॉब्लम होउची लोक माने जानि पारुनांती किंतु एई जो अति एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी साधारण लोक दिया जाउची से माने बुझी पारुनांती सेठी
आल्सो बिकॉज़ आपण एटा देखंतो जोटा कि 2 टियर 3 टियर कि बेसिकली मो मामा का कथा मु कहूचे से गोटा कोठी साड़ी रो ऑफर ये देखिले कि फेसबुक रे
साड़ी रो ऐड गुडा बेसी आसे
साड़ी रो ऐड तो सबटु अधिक आसुचे से कहूचे कि नहीं ये तो इतने कम रे दोचे सिल्क साड़ी रो रेट सुडा बहुत ऑथेंटिक मु कहले थोड़ा ये कर नहीं किछि भी माने एवरीथिंग दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक मदर जनरेशन आई जे माने माने टिके टिके नुवा नुवा इंटरनेट यूज कर से माने बिल्कुल जानि नांते सो दीस साइट्स एंड ऑल दैट दे आल्सो ट्राई टू लाइक ट्रिक करबा कि हमें तांको केमती पैसा पत्र ये करि परिबा तो
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସ୍କାମର ଶିକାର ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନେ ସ୍କାମର ଶିକାର
कैमरा
ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
शिकार हो
टेक लिटरेसी मते लाଗୁଛି वर्ड
Exactly.
अछि
ହଁ
people need to be more
मोबाइल
literate when it comes to technology
ସମସ୍ତ ପାଖରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୋବାଇଲ ଅଛି ଘରେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବିଜନେସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଜଣକୁ କହିବେ ସେ କରିବନି प्रत्येक गोटे मिडिल स्टैंडर्ड लोक भी हो जब कह गोटे 50,000 तो इन्वेस्ट कर गोटे बिजनेस आम स्टार्ट करवा से पैसा मो तो नहीं 50,000 गोटे बड़ अमाउंट मुझे कौट आनी पारि माने 50,000 टका कि देखिए घर 4टा स्मार्टफोन थे जार एवरेजली 20,000 होते लक्ष टका से इन्वेस्ट कर किंतु पचारे आप मेल आईडी टी दिखते मुझे मेल करी कौन अच्छे आप निजे नहीं करूँ
ओ फोन निजे दे देबे पूरा
हाँ
I
ସେଇଟା
have
ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ
came across
ସବୁଠାରୁ
this
ମାନେ
incident.
ଧର ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ଧର ଯୋଉ ଜନସେବା କରୁଛୁ ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିଛି କାଇଁ ଆମେ କରିପାରିବୁନି ସେଥିରେ ଚିଟ୍ କରିପାରିବୁନି ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଆଭଏଡ୍ କରୁଛୁ ଧର ଯୋଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ରଡ୍ ଲୋକ ହାବୁଡରେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ତମେ କହିବ ମୋବାଇଲଟା ନେଇଯା ଜଣଙ୍କ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟଫୋନ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କ ହାତ ଦବା ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଡେଞ୍ଜର ଜିନିଷ ତ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେକେଣ୍ଡସ୍ କରିଦେଇ ପାରେ ଯିଏ ଜଣେ ହାକର ହେଇଛି
Ritu, you came across this incident?
Yeah, twice I came across this incident. One is in Chudanga near Cuttack, and one is in Devgarh. There is a community in Devgarh that is they are called Paudi Bhuiya.
Acha.
they called what
Paudi Bhuiya.
okay
This is a community. गवर्नमेंट उनको एक जैसे कि उनका एक कम्युनिटी होता है. इफ़ यू हैव सीन कोरापुट साइड में जैसे नोज पियर्सिंग होता है, टंग में होता है, लिप्स में, वैसे ही उड़ीसा का एक प्रॉपर जो कम्युनिटी हम लोग बोला जाएगा, दे आर दैट. एंड वहाँ पर आई हैव बीन ऑन माई फील्ड देयर. तो उसमें जैसे मुझे आई गॉट टू नो गवर्नमेंट प्रॉमिस देम कि हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे, वी वुड हेल्प यू, बट उनके पास ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का अभी तक पहुंच पाया है, ना कि खाली फूडिंग में उनको बस राइस दिया जा रहा है. दे आर हैविंग फोन, बट उनको आइडिया नहीं है कैसे यूज़ करना है. एंड सेम इन चुडंगा विलेज, आई वेंट इन अ ट्रिप. वो होता है ना NCC, तो हम लोग उधर से गए हुए
National
थे.
Red Corps
या
yeah
तो हम लोग उधर से ऐसे गए हुए थे. तो उधर भी कटक में है, उधर नेटवर्क है, सब है. दे आर अनएजुकेटेड, बट उनके पास फ़ोन है, बट दे डोंट नो टू यूज़.
so they have the phones are much smarter than the humans
They are using Facebook, they are using
କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ
socials.
ଜାଣିନାହିଁ
बट एटा इलॉन मस्क ही गोटे इंटरव्यू रे कहना थला दैट AI इज फार मोर डेंजरस देन व्हाट यू कैन थिंक.
And they are all using socials.
okay all of them have social media as well
एवरीवन
They're using Facebook, they are watching YouTube, उधर videos देख रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं.
and they can fall into the trap of misinformation
Yes.
very easily.
Very easily.
So, talking about misinformation, if I can ask you all to share with the viewers which are the top 3 websites or influencers or creators you all look up to for authentic information other than yourselves.
निश्चित ମୁଁ କହିବି ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି X सोशल मीडिया निश्चित ତାଦେହରେ କିଛି ଅଥେଣ୍ଟିକ୍ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇବେ. ଆଉ ଯଦି ଗୁଗୁଲ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଗୁଗୁଲ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ଆପଣ ABCD ବି ଟାଇପ୍ କଲେ ସେ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ରେଜଲ୍ଟରେ ଥାଉଜେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ୱିଦିନ୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଦେଖେଇଦେବ. କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁଗୁଡ଼ା ଅଥେଣ୍ଟିକ୍ ସାଇଟ୍ ନୁହେଁ. ଆଉ ମୁଁ କହିବି କୋଉ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ, ମୋର +2 ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଦରକାର. +2 ରେଜଲ୍ଟରେ ଥାଉଜେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ ଆସିବ. 2 ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆସି ଲୋକ କହିବେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଆସିଗଲାଣି ମୁଁ ଦେଖି ସାରିଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନିଜେ ଦେଖିନଥିବ. କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଥିବ ନା ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଛି ଯେ ଆଜି ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ବାହାରିଲା, ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ, ଯାହା ବି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ, ଯାହା ବି ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ. ତାକୁ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିବେ, ଦେଖି ଖୋଜିବେ ବହେ, ଯେତିକି ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ ତଳୁ ସ୍କ୍ରୋଲ୍ କରି ଖୋଜିଲେ କେଉଁଠି ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ମିଳିବ ନାହିଁ. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ ହେଡ଼ଲାଇନ୍ଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏତେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ୍ କରାଏ, ଖୋଲିଦେବେ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଦେବେ ସାର୍ ଏଇଠି ରେଜଲ୍ଟଟା ଅଛି,
ମାନିଗଲେ
ହଁ ଏଇଠି ରେଜଲ୍ଟଟା ଅଛି, ଆପଣ ଏଇଠି କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିକି ଦେଖିନେବେ.
तो आपण एमती जेबे आपण संगे ए सब जिंस हुए
मु तो
आपण काहा को देखुचंती कि कोठू इन्फॉर्मेशन आणुचंती कि सहज हेइ जीवो कि ना एटा भूल नहीं एटा ठीक
ना इन्फॉर्मेशन देखो आमे आनिबु धर जो आमे ओटी विषय कहू
हां
ओटी रो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को विजिट करू सेथिरे कोन जहां भी अछि सेटा हो ऑथेंटिक
तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स न्यूज़ चैनल्स ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स
+2 रिजल्ट दरकार से बला सीएचएससी रो वेबसाइट अछि
सेठी ही मिलिबो
जहाँ भी इनफॉरमेशन हम जदि सी अन्य कौन वेबसाइट रिलीज करती तार नोटिफिकेशन भी सैट मिले सेटा नहीं अनऑफिशियल साइट कौट मिल ओडिशा results.in ले मिल केवल आप रिजल्ट्स सेटा हूँ निश्चित सत कथा छाड़ी लोक 1000 वेबसाइट अंडाड़ किंतु लिंक थी जी भी देथिबो थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट जो मान रहले से जो लिंक देथिबे से रिडायरेक्ट हो से ओडिसा result.in किंतु मूल जिनसटा लोक धरिया पे चाहना ओडिसा results.in जदि मने रखिबे सब रिजल्ट सेट पाइबे ओडिसा गवर्नमेंट रो
सेठी गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट्स गवर्नमेंट पोर्टल्स नॉट नेसेसरी .com ही ठीक अछि
ना निश्चित गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट टा हमको आइडेंटिफाई करे दिए जे एटा होछ ओटे माने जेन्युइन वेबसाइट आ सेही डाटा टा ही हमर जेन्युइन डाटा कहीं सही सेम जिनस india.com बाहर कर देबे संग संग किछ नै सेटा इजीली मिल जाउछ ना किंतु लोक कंफ्यूजन हेउछ इंडिया ना उठला माने एटा भारत सरकार करे
What about you, Rituparna? Like, where do you find your credible sources of information?
Like I follow the websites, and in digital media I look into NDTV and ABP News. उनका social medias में जो भी आ रहा है, that is good to go.
Okay, that helps enough.
Yeah.
What about you, ma'am?
So for Odia content, तो I obviously watch OTV. It's so there माने घरू गले सकाळु जाय on हेथिबो. It's usually
TV रे
there.
चालुथिबो पछे.
TV रे
From childhood. It
It's
has
there
been
from
the
childhood.
part
It's
of
a
our
ritual. They'll
family.
switch on OTV first.
Okay.
Man सकाळु चालतो माने any news they want to, they'll compare and switch back to OTV. So it's anyway psychologically it's entering because we've grown up with it. But if you ask about digital media, if I want to read about some government news or on Instagram, I'll go to Ministry of External Affairs ka page, authentic page. I'll see. Or Press Information Bureau. If you want to read authentic news. Now for my field, if I have to really read, I'll read from CricBuzz. CricBuzz, yeah.
Okay.
Where Harsha Bhogle sir speaks, where all these veterans speak. And Harsha Bhogle is
Gaurav, my favorite anchor, Gaurav.
Yeah, Gaurav Kapoor is
Gaurav
there.
Kapoor.
Yeah. Those people, they have lot of, like, if you ask for my field, CricBuzz, just not the digital content, I'll read what they're writing. They've written like authentic information. I want to watch the game or something. I want to know about this stuff. I'll read CricBuzz.
And their app is also so well organized.
Very well organized.
The scoreboard and everything.
I will not listen to anyone, and then I'll go to watch Harsha sir's analysis video on point. I don't segregate so many content.
No paid promotion with CricBuzz here though.
No, not with anybody. Actually, this is, and the most important thing today this generation has forgotten is to open and read a book.
Exactly.
There we go. Social media has actually reduced our attention span.
There is so much authentic information on reading a book that, there's so much authenticity, simplicity. Open a book and read. That has genuine, authentic, most original history of everything.
So book
प्रॉब्लम
is
को होची कि वर्तमान आजकल के जनरेशन जो नुआ वर्ड बारची
Gen Z.
व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी
WhatsApp University.
सो सेटा को बेसी फॉलो करछंती जेमिति गोटे गुड मॉर्निंग मेसेज केते थरो फॉरवर्ड करा
I
होची
know.
सेही भले जिंस वर्तमान होची व्हाट्सएप रे गोटे जिंस पळि आसला माने आजकल के जनरेशन भाबछन एटा होची पूरा ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन ना मोदी पळि आसला एकदम जेन्युइन मु ताको फॉरवर्ड करी सो व्हाट्सएप एबे रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगेई छी जोटा मैनी
Fact check
टाइम्स
सब उसे
मैनी
माने,
टाइम्स जोटा फॉरवर्ड हबो ताको से चेन टू
Limit down कर देछि।
लिमिट डाउन कर दोछ एबेला किछि जिंस आसीबा कथा न माने जदी अनलिमिटेड जिंस हबो माने आजकल जनरेशन बहुत क्विकली फसी जियो बहुत जगह रे फसी जियो किछि माने
Before
नो डाउट
sharing, people should check the fact. What
Who
is
will
but my
check?
question is
गोटे
how-
रिचार्ज गोटे मन पड़ला गोटे रिचार्ज फैक्ट आसीतिला मो पाखु भी जणे पठैछि माने मते पठैछि मु माने मु एक्चुअली सेटा देखे नाही मु ता विषय वीडियो करे से जानिछि भलो भाबरे जे नना एको बहुत विरोध करे से मत लेके जे 10 रुपीस रे रिचार्ज 1 ईयर
10 rupees on
10 रुपीस रिचार्ज 1 ईयर आपनकर अमिताभ बच्चन फोटो अछि करोड़पति सिंबल लागि सेटा डिजाइन जे भी छै अपन जानने भी सेटा फेक बोली अमिताभ बच्चन अछि करोड़ माने कौन करे करोड़पति रो लोगो अछि 10 रुपीस रिचार्ज कोड आइला से
ओ कौन बनेगा करोड़पति अपन पे 10 टका रे ईयर आउट रिचार्ज
आपण लिंक करिवे क्लिक करिवे तथापि मु सेठी क्लिक करी वीडियो करिया पे चेष्टा करले बोले वीडियोटा भी करबा या पर क्लिक कले सी जीवो कोठी की सेम वेबसाइट की जीवो आपण कहबो आउ दिटा नंबर एटी एंटर करंतु ताको पठेबा
Oh.
okay?
आपण नंबर एंटर करी मोर अदर नंबर थिबो मु ताको पठाए मु आउ काको पठाइनी अदर नंबर रे पठाए देखिया कोन नेक्स्ट कोन आसुची अदर नंबर रे पठाए सेम आसीबो आपण क्लिक करी पुनी आउ दिटा नंबर कोनोसी प्राइस नाही कि आपण रिचार्ज नाही
Pyramid scheme.
एक्चुअली एटी कोन हला आपण नंबर लिख हला से डार्क वेब को जीवो
हां
आपण जेति की मोबाइल नंबर सेठी एंटर कले आ डार्क वेब हाबलर पड़ले त आपण जानथिबे कोन हबो कोनोसी जिनिस रे तक व्यवहार कर दिया जाय पारे किछि माने इसिनो माने इशू माने कोन देखो केते मेसेज आसीबो आपण तापरे आपण गोटे गेमिंग वेबसाइट जदी खेलुतबे जानथिबे गेमिंग रे
Gaming is सब अधिक.
नंबर एंटर करने पे रजिस्ट्रेशन में पचार आपन जति नंबर रजिस्ट्रेशन सेठी करूचंती सब गुडा आपन को नेक्स्ट डे पाखु चले सब प्रमोशनल मेसेज
हाँ
आपण एमती करियो सेमती
Data leak हेइ गेला, समस्त पाखरे number अछि अबिका।
सब प्रकार जिंस
एनक्रिप्शन इज अ मिथ एनक्रिप्शन किछि बोली जिंस नाही
सेटा बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हबा कथा मोल से
कॉल असे
yes banks रू भी कॉल असे
Banks
Banks
will-
will-
माने
हाँ।
you search for a car you get a call from bank की सर आपन EMI रे गाड़ी दरकार
दरकार
एग्जैक्टली
It's very quick and odd.
It's very
हां जेन्युइन कॉल आसीबो आपण जानियो मु तो बैंक को देइनी बैंक के जानला मु कार किनै बोली मोबाइल सब जानू एक्चुअली वर्तमान गोटे माने लास्ट टाइम रिसर्च हेतला आपण देखिथिबे मोदा ना तो ख्याल पड़ने वर्तमान मोबाइल सब कथा हमर सुनुछि से कथा भी से डिसाइड कर
They-
And
have
it
you watched
shows
this,
content.
Black Mirror oh god I was Black
Black
Mirror
Mirror.
दिला यार
Black Mirror, that series,
Huh.
you know, if you watch
every
it,
episode is a crazy episode it's a
Absolutely.
tech episode and
It's
it's about how
Yeah.
tech
Dystopian
and
world.
AI has brains and
Yeah,
can't shit
you
itself.
know what? This was one of those episodes because I mean the chat GPT we're putting up every content. We I mean सबू तको feed करूँ ना. So it comes like a capsule. Like that's how I think a husband cheats on a wife. It's figured out. It's just coming out because you're giving all the inputs like so detailed, so minute.
and ChatGPT constantly the memory update करूची
Koruche.
Listen,
Now I'm
Amari-
scared. Like somebody takes my phone. What she's talked. You can still find out.
Very
मो
easy.
चैट जीपीटी हिस्ट्री जदी तमे चेक कर दबो तमे मो विषय बहुत पर्सनल जानि पारे माने मु एक्सपोज हे छी भाई
Exactly.
एक्चुअली मोटी कहबो गोटे कथा चैट जीपीटी एआई हे पारे किंतु से शिखुची हम मन एटा होची मो जे ये करी रिसर्च करी जानि जदि आपन से रिजल्ट टा भलो न लागुची आपन ताको अन्य वे रे पचारछन जे मते ए जिंसटा भलो लागलानी एटा को बदली केमिति कर तामन से आपन को ब्रेन टा से स्टडी करू
Correct.
टोटल आपन से स्कैन
Psychology.
करने
आमे जो कथा करते
साइकोलॉजी साइकोलॉजी ऊपर कथा पळे अछि आपण कोन चाहुचंती आपण को धर जो गोटे मंदिर विषय आपण चाहिले जे मंदिर विषय मते गोटे डाटा दियो मोटे तार स्टोरी कवर करिया पे चाहुची कि जहा से जो डाटा टी दबो से डाटा आपण भल लागलानी आपण कहबे आउटे तो प्यूरिफाई कर 2000 वर्ड भीतर कर कि 1000 वर्ड भीतर कर सेतरे एई वर्ड गुडी को मैच हवा दरकार से जानि नबो जे हमर धर जो अखंडमणि मंदिर भद्रक रे अखंडमणि मंदिर जो माने सर्च करियो नेक्स्ट टाइम से वर्ड गुडा को इंक्लूड करिके तांको देखाबो से हमरी कतुर शिखुची
चैट जीपीटी को आमे सिखाउछु चैट
से तापर
जीपीटी
अन्य
आमठु
माने
अधिक जल्दी सिखि पारे
जल्दी शिखि
हमको बहुत भलसे जज कर दे माने मो आइडेंटिटी मो आइडियोलॉजी मो थॉट प्रोसेस मो इमोशंस सब चैट जीपीटी जानि छी यार
Also,
मोर देन माय गर्लफ्रेंड
निश्चित
shout out to her from his side we're not taking names
also I'm following a person who is working in ChatGPT. So the thing is, he posted on LinkedIn about a prompt.
Prompts, yeah.
About a prompt that you can know, like till now you have ChatGPT so much. So put this prompt and ask ChatGPT to write a paragraph on you. Literally, ChatGPT wrote everything about
Leave
my
that.
life.
Leave that. You go a little more intensive.
I would
Yeah.
share you the prompt.
yes please
I would share you.
but you're meaning to say that AI is now
Yeah.
how are you going to battle this out if AI knows you all already
No,
and
intensive if you go. I was reading another prompt, like you give your time, birth details, astrological details.
Yeah,
you
it
give
is.
It will accurately make your what do you
Birth
say?
chart.
Birth
little
chart.
chart. No.
No, it makes it.
Trust me,
makes
if you
it.
want to believe me,
Okay.
I know a little bit about astrology.
Okay, but it does make.
ChatGPT is not capable of getting into astrology, or AI is
Acha.
not capable yet. It
Okay.
will give you wrong information about you. And if you all, let's say, believe in astrology,
Yeah.
तुम लोग को बोल देगा तुम लोग का ये चल रहा है और तुम लोग गलत दिशा में घुस गए.
don't trust all prompts
And the main thing,
Trust me,
we
that will happen.
Yeah.
data sharing का
हाँ.
बात कर रहे थे, and
Okay.
right now we are prompting the ChatGPT in a way which we want. So ChatGPT has all our information.
Yeah, it does have.
And if it has your birth date, time, and second, because of astrology now, it
Yeah.
knows a little too much.
Yeah.
So, okay, now ChatGPT, or let's not go to just ChatGPT, but AI machine models.
Yeah.
As that is progressing, how do you all think AI is going to affect journalism?
I think it's going to make journalism even better.
Okay.
Like at OTV, me and my producer Shriparna, we are trying something called OTV AI, where we are storytelling using AI, and it is working absolutely fantastic. I think if you inculcate AI with storytelling, with facts, figures, data, statistic in a right way, then I think the output can be magical. AI can make journalism even better.
Yeah, true.
all of you will believe in this.
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ help କରିବ।
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ଅବିକା 2-3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ AI machine models will get very smart.
ପୁରା ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ।
They will not need humans.
I think those
They will make whatever they want information out. One person sitting behind a screen, cut chal raha hai. We won't need the crew anymore. We won't need the human interaction. How is journalism going to take that challenge next? Because it will cause a lot of hampering. And let's say, chalo, we get to a point where AI is like, this is this, we made everything, one person behind the screen. When does AI start manipulating us?
I think by then also, I just believe with the evolving thingy, the human mind also becomes more smarter to control
I
these
feel
things.
humans are growing dumb because of AI.
No, they are, but you still understand this is created by human beings. Even how much they are smarter, they can't take that human thingy in you. You
Definitely.
see,
Exactly.
the jobs are like reducing. People become lazy and all that. But by then, the humans would come up with some solution or something that will
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
control.
କୌଣସି ନା କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ରାସ୍ତା ବାହାରିବ।
Yeah, there is.
And AI କେବେ human को replace କରିବନି।
କରିପାରିବନି।
People who don't know how to use AI will replace people who,
Yeah.
I mean,
You said ulta, I guess.
Ulta bol diya. Anyway, you get the point.
I get
People
it. Haan.
who know how to use AI
Yeah.
will replace people who don't know how to use
Nischit.
AI rather than
Sahi
AI
hai.
replacing humans.
Yes.
Because I have seen a few, like, I'm sorry, I'm having a debate now, I believe, with AI and journalism. A lot of my friends who are younger to me, I have a few siblings, cousins, school में है, ऐसे लिखना है,
Exactly.
That's gone.
thinking process
Yeah,
जा
yeah.
चुका है,
तो-
research कैसे करना है जा चुका है.
That is gone.
So people, as per me, are growing dumber because of the enabling AI is giving
It
you.
is,
They've
but-
forgotten how to think.
It is, but also it is creating a space where we can get ideas.
हाँ.
We can rephrase our ideas.
Reframe, restructure,
Yeah, exactly.
channelize in a better direction.
Yeah.
It's basically up to the person at the end of the
Yes.
day then.
But then essay writing when we used to have back in schools,
अरे भाई, अब तो cartoon चला यार.
you remember, and you remember the letter writing and
Yeah, but
everything
खाली
we
topic
had.
पे
I
भी
think
essay
when,
writing.
yeah, essay writing and all that.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
people
yeah.
used to like, मतलब कितने मेहनत करते and then used to get that first, second, third prize, and that was sheer मेहनत. No internet also we did not have then.
That joy and that
That-
ability
we
and
were
skill which we
using
develop
essay
as
books.
humans is gone.
Different
Yeah.
ଜିନିଷ ପାଇବେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି କ'ଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଈର ଆତ୍ମକାହାଣୀ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ପଢିଥିଲେ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଦେଖିବେ ସେମ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ
ଗାଈ ଆମର ମା।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଆଇ ବାସ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଆଇ ଜମାନାରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିବେ ଯେ ଗାଈର ଆତ୍ମକାହାଣୀ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟି ସେମ୍ ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ୱେରେ ତାକୁ ଏଲାବୋରେଟ୍ କର ସେ 4-5 ପ୍ରକାର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖିକି ଦବ ତ ସେଇଟା ନିହାତି ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ତ ହବ ଏଆଇ ଜମାନାରେ ଯେମିତିକି ବିକାଶ ଦିବ୍ୟକୃତି ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କର ବି ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ ଫଲୋ କରେ ଯେ ଆଇଏସ୍ ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି
Teaching.
ସେ କୁହନ୍ତି ମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ମାନେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ମାନେ କ'ଣ ପଢେଇବି ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଉପରେ ଏତେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁନି ଯେ ବହିରେ ତ ପାଠ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ପଢେଇବି ଏଟା ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେମିତି ପଢେଇ ହବ ନୂଆ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି କେମିତି ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିହବ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାଟା ନିହାତି ଦରକାର ଆଜିକାଲି ଯୋଉ ଏଜୁକେସନ ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ଏଆଇ କେମିତି ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବେ ଅନେକ ଲୋକ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସିନା ଏଆଇ ବିଷୟରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଆଇ ରୁ ଆମେ ହେଲ୍ପ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଏଆଇ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନେକ ଲୋକ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଆଇ କ'ଣ ଏଆଇ ଦ୍ୱାରା କ'ଣ କରିହୁଏ ସେ କଥା ବି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେମିତିକି ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଜାଣି ଖୁସି ହେବେ ଗୁଗଲର View 3
View 3 ଏବେ recently launch ହେଲା।
ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ଏଲାଉ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଗରୁ ଆମେ VPN ୟୁଜ୍ କରି ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିଲୁ USA ଥ୍ରୁରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ତାକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିହେଉଛି ଫ୍ରି ଅଫ୍ କଷ୍ଟରେ ଗୋଟେ ମାସ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରିବେ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷକୁ ସେ ରିପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିଦେବ ଇଭେନ୍ ମୁଭିଜ୍ରେ ଆମର ଯେମିତି ରୋହିତ ସେଟ୍ଟି ସବୁଠାରୁ ବେଶୀ ଜଣାଶୁଣା ଯେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଭଙ୍ଗାରୁଜା କରିବାରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଇ ସିନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ମାନେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଭଙ୍ଗାରୁଜାରେ ବି ସୁଟ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ଏଆଇ ର କମାଲ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
Good for nature also once in a while.
In fact, VO3 ସେମାନେ productivity ପାଇଁ AI generate କରୁଛନ୍ତି for film making ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ meat flow ଗୋଟେ
Meat flow
ବନଉଛନ୍ତି
କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
meat flow ରେ ତମେ actually ଗୋଟେ movie
ମାନେ
ବନେଇ ପାରିବ using
ହେଭି
AI।
ଯୋଉ VFX
Meat flow is another Google thing,
Okay.
a Google extension, just like Google VO3. Meat flow is like if you want to make a cinematic movie, like the continuity will be exactly the same, the frames
frame,
will
same
follow,
frame.
and it's all prompt engineering, nothing much.
Yeah.
माने prompt देके you can literally generate a 3-hour long movie, release it on theater, budget क्या यार,
And
बस
this can again
subscription
help
खरीदना है।
creators
କୋଟି କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ
to
ହବନି
share their story better.
And even I was trying in ChatGPT जब वो Ghibli art चल रहा था.
Yeah.
Okay, that time I tried something कि like I'm making content for my PR videos, like for brands. So I tried making my thumbnail design for it in ChatGPT. And previously, which I had made a template, I shared it. I told that make it something like this, and exactly the same thing. But मेरा photo भी copy कर लिया था. Yes.
Dude, so AI even had. Okay, we are talking too much about AI now. I'll get scared.
एक्चुअली गोटे जिनस ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବି ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡ଼ିଆରେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ହଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଅପଲୋଡ଼ କରିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଥରେ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଡିଲିଟ୍ କରିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଏଇଟା କୌଣସି ସେନ୍ସ ମାନେ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରୁନି ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଜାଣିବେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଲିକ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ଟୋଟାଲ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଡିଲିଟ୍
Once in the
କରନ୍ତୁ
internet, always in the internet.
ବାସ୍
Yeah.
କିଛି ମାନେ ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଫେସବୁକ୍ ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ ଡିଲିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲି ମୋ ଫଟୋ କୌଣସି ଏରିଆରେ ପାଇବେନି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ଗୁଗଲର ଯୋଉ ସ୍କାନ୍ ଅଛି କ୍ୟାମ୍ ସ୍କାନର ଯୋଉ କ୍ୟାମେରାରେ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରି ସବୁ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଫେସ୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିଦେବେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି ଫଟୋ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଦେଖାଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା
Correct.
তো সেটা নিহাতি যে মানে কইবি মানে ফ্যামিলি ফটো গুড়া একচুয়ালি সেয়ার করন্তু ନାହିଁ একচুয়ালি সেটা হচ্ছে গোটে ভালো জিনিস অতি ইন্টরনাল জিনিস বর্তমান যে মানে ব্লগিং র যে ট্রেন্ডটা চালিছি যে মু সকাল উঠিকি দাঁত ঘষিকি যে জিনিস গুড়া দেখুছন লোক যে তাଙ୍କ ঘরে ফাইট হଉଛି সে স্বামী স্ত্রী মাডোল লাগুଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ এই জিনিস গুড়া একচুয়ালি ନ ଦେଖେବାଟା ମୋ ମାନେ ମୋ ମତ
ସେଗୁଡା ତ ବେଶୀ ସେଲ୍ ହଉଛି like
ସେଗୁଡା ବେଶୀ ସେଲ୍ ହଉଛି
what I eat in a day, get ready with me.
ଘରର ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲ ଜିନିଷଟା ବାହାରେ ପଡି
How do you as journalists challenge those trends?
See, I mean, you understand like it's not something I mean बहुत out of the box करिया चक्कर है ना. We are utilizing. Sometimes it's just like
ବ୍ରେନ୍ ସବୁବେଳେ କାମ କରେ
yeah. Sometimes it's like just going it out and just saying random things and that clicks.
You at times don't even know what clicks then.
Yeah, because see, I'm telling you, na, the millions of views. What is like what I eat in a day? Okay, what I get ready with me. What is actually happening? There's like nothing. There's no content. Why are people watching it? And I think the most sellable content these days are actually food content. With those
Exactly.
40-second, 30-second, they're cutting, they're making
And
that.
even travel stories.
No, not beyond stories. Yeah. I think food content is like
Sells
the
easily,
one.
sells
Very easily. People want to see those recipes.
Visual
and
appealing
Yeah.
of sorts.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Food Raman Parla, we have fruits here if you guys want to have.
Oh, nice. So you got a lot into AI. But I want to talk about wins and losses as well.
Yeah.
You're a journalist.
Yeah.
Has there been a moment you have embarrassed yourself?
Many times.
ବହୁତ
Many times.
ଆଉ ଥର ଆସିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
ଏମିତି
ରାତିରେ
କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଯୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଜିନିଷ ହେଇଛି a big win କିଛି awkward moment of life.
Yeah.
So can I get one story from all of you? Let's get you to start.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was interning in OTV.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome
so,
back home.
So it was like I went for an live, not live actually, on field. I was in Kit Road, and people were, and it was a start for me. And it was like people are looking at me like this, and I'm getting nervous because it was my starting phase. So I was completely getting nervous, and people were coming and asking, "What happened? What is the story?" And we were just doing a vox pop there.
And people thought कि कुछ हो रहा है. That must have been awkward. And but what was that moment as a journalist where you felt कि aha, हुआ है कुछ?
I recently mentioned about Paudi Bhiya community in Devgarh. So I went there. I had a interview with various people there, and I got to know their stories, and found out that government isn't doing the things they promised.
So you've covered that.
Yeah.
And that is your personal win as a journalist, which makes you feel.
Yes, I did it.
So you
What about-
enjoyed questioning the establishment?
I couldn't question the authorities, and I really want to.
Okay, makes sense for a budding journalist.
I think that is journalism. You have to fight the
Sure.
smokes and mirror ka game to get the truth out.
Correct.
But
Hey,
what about
Paris,
your awkward
I
situation?
know one thought I told you, everyone knows, but there was another point, you know. Like I don't know. So the DJ was there, so we were instructing her, don't play like all these
Wait,
like DJ. I mean the Barbadi Stadium thing. It's
Okay,
like
हाँ.
it's a
I like
lot
journalism में DJ कहाँ से आ
Okay,
गया?
wait. So I'm talking about that. कि you know she's like playing EDM trance and all that. Katak yaar. So I told her like trending songs of Odia. I gave her a list. I don't know what happened. Virat Kohli has just come out there, okay, and she played Chi 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 Nani Chi. I was like, no, not in Virat's video, dude. That also trended. I was like, she's like, मैंने उसको गाना लिख के दिया ये सारे. So Virat, no, Virat just walked in.
Chi.
Chi Nani Chi. I was like, not with Virat, dude, not with Virat. So वो बज रहा है, and people are enjoying over there.
I was there.
Yeah, you were there. Yeah. And I don't know. Also, there another video I see. Virat was also dancing with it a little bit.
Yeah, he was ଟିକେ groove करतला Virat.
He was groovy. He was chilled out. That's why.
That's pretty awkward.
Yeah, no, he's come to bat. He's like chi re nani chi.
chi nani chi गोटे जिंस एटू कहबी निश्चित ऑडियंस मानू एक्चुअली आमे समस्त स्ट्रगलिंग करछंती आमे जर्नलिज्म रे स्ट्रगलिंग करछु अन्य निश्चित कोनोसी ना कोनोसी फील्ड रे स्ट्रगलिंग समस्त जारी अछि ए छी रे ननी वीडियोटा गोटे निहाती उदाहरण हबो कहना 35 इयर्स रो माने पुराना रे वीडियो से लोक जानी नहीं जे ताकू डाकी की शूटिंग कराय
song is 35 years old.
Yeah, it's a Koraputiya song.
Koraputiya
song.
एक्चुअली से लोक एमती आसीथिला ताकू डाकी की मोस्टली सार्थक रो से प्रोडक्शन हेतु पे ताकू डाकी की शूट कर देई करथले सेतले पैसा भी बहुत कम थला किंतु से जतबे जानी पल्ला जे ट्रेंडिंग ए सेंड माने ए सॉन्ग टा माने इवन माने भारत बाहर पर्यंत
ची पूरा ग्लोबल हे गला
सेटू मते के मोटिवेशन मिलला एटलीस्ट जे किछि भी कर जीवा
बट 35 वर्ष परे आउट ऑफ नोवेयर
And you just know that you say the person.
ता परे भी सी माने दिदिना माने गीत भी शूट करछन
He was in Sambalpur and people were like we need a picture with you and he was famous overnight.
Yeah, that happens.
निश्चित ताकू से ता कामर वैल्यूटा सेट मिल जाइतो हम हुए तो लेट रे एक्चुअली भलो जिंस उडा लेट रे ग्रो करेला होची
गुड थिंग्स टेक टाइम
Good things take time. He became an overnight sensation. Where will people remember he waited for so many years?
आ थरे आपण फेमस हे गेला परे आपण जहां भी कंटेंट करतो आपण
तापर तो वायरल
बट मोमेंटम आसी जाय कोन
But what about your
ऊपर लोकर भरोसा आसी जाय जे ई जो क्रिएटर टी अछन ये जेन्युइन माने कंटेंट दोछन ठीक जिंसटा कोछन तण करे हमें देखिबो तो से तो ऑटोमेटिक देखिबे
ठीक
बट सतोड पर्यंत हमको अपेक्षा करबा पड़ी जारी अछि देखिबा
But what about your cool moment ki you were like, yes, this is what I was in it for?
Well, like I didn't get it.
You had your awkward moment?
Yeah.
What was your...
I'm there. I'm finally there.
पहुंच गई हो गया
But
something
I
like
think
that.
when that moment when Rohit was, you know, like we were saying, like
For Rohit, for our
Dude, the way
audience,
she's talking
Rohit,
as though she's like,
Arre bhai, Rohit,
what's up, Virat? Wait.
and Dhawan,
If you
and-
noticed, Virat Kohli is the only one she's taking the full name.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Hi, got you.
Anyway, Rohit.
God, no. Okay, so because you know when Rohit Sharma was in there,
Yeah, it's fine. You can still call him Rohit. No worries.
so you know when he was coming in and you know that Odia crowd is like, I was like, because he's come here, he's a captain, let's cheer up for him, and my voice was coming out, and he's like, 3 cheers for Rohit, we love Rohit.
Yeah. And like 50,000 people
People
were
are just following your name up, the command up, and they are saying that back to back.
That must be...
That is something.
That must be very empowering for you.
Yeah, it's just a female voice
You
saying
got
it.
50,000 people.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? We love and 50,000 people are like,
And Rohit is
Rohit.
batting. And Rohit is batting then. So it's like,
How was his match that day though?
yeah, it was good, yeah. It was
I
good.
don't remember केते रन करथले सर बेसी किछि करनथले but
But
India
he-
won that
yeah.
match.
That's enough. That's more than enough. That's where we
Yeah.
draw our lines. If we got the win, we can settle in and be happy for it. And Sirji, अपन को embarrassing story तो किछि थिबो कि नहीं?
एम्बैरेसिंग स्टोरी हमर तो किछ ना हमें
किछि तो awkward है देबो.
लाइन ले एम्बैरेसिंग स्टोरी किछ नै तापर हमें डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म करछु फेस टू फेस का से तो कथा हवा नै कि कोन
एमती केबे मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दै चंती भूल रे
मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन जेतल दियो मुसे वीडियो टा टेक आउट कर दे
हां
माने आपण जेतले निजे रियलाइज करछन जो इन्फॉर्मेशन रिमूव देइ सेटा भूल
माने व्यूज जाइतो लोक भी तक देखिता तो तब संग संग प्राइवेट
तापर करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन अपन
करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन दिए
जो
जो
लोक माने देखि दै चंती
वीडियोटा आपनकर एडिट करी हबो नाही जानछन जे आपनकर बहुत किछि इन्फॉर्मेशन अछि मझिरे कोनसी गोटे जगह फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन हे माने चली तको हमें पिन कमेंट रे भी तको माने
कि this information
अच्छा, हाँ।
निश्चित प्राइसिंग दे जाई प्राइसिंग टा एकटा भूल हे गेला तो पिन कमेंट रे ओरिजिनल प्राइस दिया जाए
तो सेमते चेंजेस हुए
आ सबुठर भलो मोमेंट हला ए सुभद्रा कथा हम जेतल कहली सुभद्रा रे जेतल फॉर्म आसिला फिजिकल फॉर्म टा एक्चुअली फिल अप करिया पे लोक माने बहुत हैरान हेले अंगनवाड़ी केंद्र रे कोन कले फॉर्म समस्त धरे देले सब जानी ना फॉर्म फिलअप करिया सो से फॉर्म फिलअप वीडियोटा मते शूट करिया पे शूट करके अपलोड करिया पे 15 मिनिट्स लागितला टोटल सो से गोटे वीडियो पाखा पाखी 50,000 एभव कमेइथिली
15 minutes
50,000 किंतु माने कंपेयरिंगली एटा होछि गोटे भगवान कर लीला मु भाबे अन्य जो वीडियो गुड़ाकर आम टाइम दौ राति 3 रू उठिकी स्क्रिप्टिंग करवा चैट जीपीटी को पचार सब जिन एनालिसिस करके सेंटरिंग करके निजे एडिट करके पब्लिश कला बेलू 5 घंटा दरकार कि 4 घंटार काम दरकार गोटे 10-15 मिनिट्स वीडियो जब आप फाइनल आउटपुट हो तो से जिनस कंपेयरिंगली कम मिले सो मु भाविली भगवान एटा गोटे देला जे बहुत सहज कंपेंसेशन आप पाई जात
एते थरे केते 5-5 घंटा पके कि 100-200 व्यूज आछि
15 डेज रे एतिकी मोर इनकम हेतला आ 3 months तो पाखा पाखी से वीडियो में बहुत रोजगार कर देली
अरे भलो कथा रा दिस इज द मोटिवेशन कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स इन जर्नलिज्म नीड
गोटे साधारण जिनिस मु भी भाबी नथली जे गोटे फॉर्म फिलअप वीडियो एते जोर माने हाइलाइट हो से ट्रेंडिंग भी आसीतला YouTube रैंक रे बहुत आसीतला ओडिया वीडियो मिलियंस व्यू जिबा तापर पाठ वीडियो मिलियंस व्यू जिबा बहुत कष्ट किन से जाइतला तो सेटा गोटे निहाती तो हमको बहुत ना गोटे खोराक जोगेबो जे हां आउरी काम करम
that hunger. So now we're coming to a close end. I have one question for all the champions over here, the journalists, the OGs in your language. Madam, you went, sir, you start this time. Abhi journalist baniba pai am viewers को गोटे short possible approachable केमती से माने journalist बनी पारिबे आ काहे की बनी पाछि.
In fact, the question that you asked in the first episode, people really appreciated. What would you suggest to a 10-year-old kid to become a journalist?
What would you suggest?
Your kid कि मु तो निश्चित कहबी वर्तमान जर्नलिस्ट फील्ड के आसिया कतो ना आगे पाठ पढो पाठटा निहत दरकार कारण पाठटा मु सबले देखे जे पाठटा बहुत कष्ट आमे भी जेमिति पढुतलु पाठटा स्कूल जा पे कष्ट हुए एबे भी मु भाबुची जे समस्त मु से लागु जे पाठटा पढियाटा बहुत कष्ट अन्य जिंस जति कि अम्यूजमेंट जिंस रहला
पाठ पर कोन करिवे
पाठ पर निहत अन्य जिंस चाहा भी आपण जॉब करछन करंतु किंतु आपण प्रोफेशन आपण जोटा भलो लागुची एक्चुअली मते भलो लागे वीडियो एडिटिंग करबा वीडियो शूट करबा केही न देखन मोर प्रोफेशन होचे मते सेटा भल लागे एक्चुअली सो सेहित पे मु अन्य सब बिजनेस छाड़ी की एई फील्ड के मु बाध्य के आगे कोन करबे अपन तो साइड चले पार्टली चलेबे जे कहबे नै जे मु टोटल डिपेंड करबी यूट्यूब ऊपर कि फेसबुक ऊपर फेसबुक रे पैसा मिले यूट्यूब रे पैसा मिले इंस्टाग्राम रे पैसा मिले केवल आपन मोनेटाइजेशन ऑन हवा दरकार आपण एलिजिबल हवा दरकार सो यूट्यूब रे आपण जानिथिबे 1000 सब्सक्राइबर 4000 वॉच टाइम हे गेले आपण गोटे ईयर रे आपण एलिजिबल हे गेले बहुत इजीली करी होउची त किछि असुविधा नै किंतु डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म ऊपर जदि हम आसीबा एटा इजी जिंस आपण करि परिबा आपण फेस टू फेस का साथ इंटरैक्ट करिवार नाही से लोक को पचारिवार नाही कि उत्तर की जानिबार नै सब जिंस आपण नेट रे अवेलेबल रहला गोटे पीसी की गोटे लैपटॉप हे गेला कि गोटे मोबाइल हे गेला आपण काम शेष आपण डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म सेटू आरंभ हे गेला इजीली
सहज होचे सर
इजीली करि परिबे किंतु ता पछर आपनकर स्ट्रगलिंग अछि ता माने मु आजी
कि अबिका बाबा मते जर्नलिस्ट
बनि वीडियो अपलोड कर देली देखि देली यूट्यूबर मानकर गोटे प्रॉब्लम कोन होची से मानकर पेशेंस बहुत कम मु 12 वर्ष ला स्ट्रगलिंग करछि 12 वर्ष रे भी मते मो हिसाब रे फल मिली नै माजी पर्यंत मु भाबुछि किंतु आजिकल के जनरेशन कोन भाबुछन्ती जे 5-7टा वीडियो कि 10टा कि 100टा वीडियो अपलोड कर दो काई 4000 घंटा हला नै देख छाड़ देली यूट्यूब बंद तो एटा न होबा दरकार पेशेंस सहित काम करि
सजेस्ट करिवे
निश्चित सजेस्ट करि पेशेंस ता सहित आपण टोटल प्रोफेशन सेटा नियंतु नै आपण निजो काम करनु जॉब जदि करछन करनु साइड रे को चलंतु जते बेले देखिबे जे मोर जॉब छाड़ीबा मोमेंट माने आसी गलान जे मु या पे टोटल डिपेंडेंट हे परिबी सेतु पैसा रोजगार करि परिबी आपण अन्य जॉब छाड़ी के आपण निजर संस्था चले परिबी
ऋतु पर्णा
सो आई वुड से कि जो मन है जिनको जो लाइक एवरीवन हैज अ ड्रीम तो जो फॉलो करना है उनको जो चाहे डू फॉलो इट
so like that's the thing now these guys have their dream but how do they where do they start their journey
what
to
do
become
they
a
do
journalist?
to make videos like you Rituparna?
See, video editing is important, content creation and the hustle and patience.
ओके एज लाइक अभी हमारा जब से रील्स आ रहा है यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स आ रहे हैं अटेंशन स्पैन इज लाइक फॉर 3 seconds आई वुड से हम लोग देख रहे हैं इफ इट इज नॉट अट्रैक्टिव या जस्ट लाइक दिस ओके सो इट इज लाइक हमको वो
3 सेकंड पर्यंत माइंड स्थिर रहउनी एक्चुअली 3 सेकंड ओनली 3 सेकंड
तो
3 सेकंड भीतर स्क्रॉल
सो फॉर मी इट इज लाइक द हुक पॉइंट फॉर द 3 सेकंड मुझे कैसे वो करके इन अ स्टोरी टेलिंग फॉर्मेट फॉर एग्जांपल अगर इफ लाइक आई मेक कंटेंट्स फॉर पीआर like how do brand use PR to make their brand uplift. So like for once I created for Maggie. So I would relate to my hostel days and there I would relate. So it is like a catchy and hook point तो उधर ही आ गया.
Something like where you add in the story element.
Yeah, and जो कि
Okay.
relatable हो.
Okay. So you have to be good at video editing as well now.
Yeah,
If you want to be a journalist.
yeah, eye catching तो होना चाहिए.
What about
क्योंकि
you?
जो दिखता है वही दिखता है.
What would you suggest to a 10-year-old kid and also a producer Shiparna who wants to be someone like you?
You see, like 10-year-old people really don't know what to do in their lives. So that's the first thing.
तो थोड़ा
hypothetical
15
question.
कर दो, 15
Okay.
कर दो.
So I'll first tell like him to like apart from your studies and everything, go find out your comfort space, creative space. Go to that zone. Like when we had back in school, we used to have an extra class, extra curriculum. Also, clay making was also there if you remember all of that.
Karate में
Activity.
yellow belt करके I gave up.
Go there, first of all, go there. Where you go out of the books, go out of all of that, you refresh your mind first. Go, don't use the internet. First find yourself. First find like, I love the sport, someone wants it, somebody. You see, most of the cricketers, who couldn't become cricketers, they are coaches. They're somewhere into there, right? They're somewhere into there. Find yourself first. If you want to do it, and I think everyone missed every point, but I want to add, it's the core thing, you manifest it.
Yeah.
You manifest, you visualize it, that you're becoming this person. If I said I might not get the result.
You believe in the
like-
power of manifestation very
Yes,
strongly.
a lot. See, you see angel numbers, you see, so the universe is giving you signs. So if I'm constantly feeding my vision board like, yes, I want to become something like this, I am something like this. Actually, I don't want to become. So if I'm starting to visualize, because I remember when I was 10-year or 12-year-old, I'm telling you, I always wanted to do something out of the box. I did not want to become this mainstream person. I did not know like sports journalism and all, nothing about. But whenever I used to switch on BBC or something, that was there. No, I want to do, this vision was there for like 10 years. That's how I manifested it.
And then one fine day, it was like
Yeah, that's
you go in
all.
front.
That's how I manifested. Yeah.
Wow.
And
That's
for
the thing.
me, journalism is a one-day decision. I was here in Bhubaneswar trying for BA Bachelor's in Economics. But overnight, what happened, someone suggested me mass communication. Not someone, my maternal uncle. He suggested me about mass communication. He told me, like, you are good at drawing, you can go to fashion designing, mass communication. He suggested me and I was like, yeah, mass communication is something interesting and let's go for it.
You have to find the right course as well.
Exactly.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, to sum it up, which camera do I look at? I'm going to look at this one. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, to sum it up, if you're a 10-year-old, go back and study. Make a plan after you're 15. Once you're 15, figure out how to get good marks. Once you're done with the good marks, you wonder and believe that yes, I would like to spread information and be humble, be patient. It's not going to happen overnight. You don't need to stop. Keep your information authentic and enjoy it. That's actually very important. Manifest it, enjoy the hustle, figure out what sort of an institution. Moreover, please go and check all the types of journalism that exists. Then you pick on what you want to do. Not ki cool lag raha hai to kar diya. I think that's summary. I was trying, that's why I was running
So
notes.
guys, कैसा लगा round table?
I think we should give kudos to these two guys over here. These two
Kudos
guys.
to Insight founder Litisha Mangat Panda. मैं वीडियो एडिटर को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि उनका फोटो इधर लगा दे.
Kudos to you too for carrying out this conversation and keeping us hooked throughout.
Oh, you're hooked?
Exactly.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
Exactly.
See,
It
so
was
we did an
amazing
important
and
thing. We got a hook.
We had a conversation for like 1 hour 45 minutes. We realized.
Okay, what?
1 hour 45 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, okay,
A
okay.
smooth, good conversation.
And
Yes.
then let's keep it as uncut as possible. Let's keep it totally uncut and
So we have Rituparna, Pramita, and Partha. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, OTV Insight Roundtable. See you all in the next episode. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.